But yeah, I'd be interested to hear what you specifically back tested. Because yeah, if it was just for value gaps, I imagine it was horrible. Still chugging along.
Oh, all of a sudden, chat popped up again.
Is it back? Oh, it's back. Cool. Nice.
Well, 3 messages came through.
That's so weird. What's up, Casey?
What's up, guys?
Just chilling. Been in this long for, I don't even know how long now. Too long.
Kodak's getting a headline.
We're not going anywhere.
No.
This is boring.
So essentially, you need technical analysis and some type of reasoning to back up your trade. Yeah, of course. Not just for value gap. You need higher time frame narrative. Do we just sweep liquidity to the left and tap into a higher time frame gap? And then you're getting that setup? Or are you just like getting that set up as a random pattern trade on the day, right? Like, very much matters. But again, it's not specific to ICT. That matters whatever strategy you're trading, guys. It's not specific to ICT. Need some Harry Carey, bro. Yeah, I saw this video. I guess I missed that. It reminded me of that.
I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Google.
MU chart.
Google co-founder urged staff in recent months focus on bringing Gemini model back to frontier of AI.
No bounce. I mean, MU tapped into previous month lows. Monthly order flow seems like it's holding so far.
What a swing, Daddy.
I think MU looks decent. Just need some more Momo to break out of this range.
I got something you can swing on, Daddy.
Dude, if anyone swung the calls with me, you caught a 10-bagger to start your day. I mean,
I saw that text. That's awesome.
those contracts freaking opened up at $2,200 a piece, and they went to $3,000.
Oh,
well, while you're at it, we do have a super chat for that. Casey, what are your thoughts on the MU chart? Because I
just gave a quick analysis, but yeah, I'm curious on Casey because he actually like trades those stocks.
We looked at it earlier. I see it at one resistance level here, but that it looks like it wants to go to the 50-day up at 960.
Yeah. So I was gonna say I can either throw my chart up on there, or someone else pulls up MU, but let me show you this. Let me see if I can throw it up. Share screen, window. I think it's this one. See if that works. Oh, Ryan's gone. Ryan can't even put the chart up. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Nar. Well, I'll give you the... Oh, wait, there it is. There you go.
Yeah, I'm a host too, remember. You know.
Oh, there we go.
I own shit as well, you know.
Jordan's like, I run shit around here.
Yeah,
Ryan answers to me, first of all.
No, we're a team. 50-50. Always.
But, so initially you had these lower highs right here. Then we found a bottom with some volume. And then we slowly started to make a little bit of higher lows. Then they tried to break out of it right here, upper wick, and then no bueno. came back down. Bottom wick closed above it, fantastic. Pulled back down, then they higher load it. Literally perfect. Right where like these two things intersect was beautiful. So yesterday for me, looking at MU, was around that same spot here. It's around 853. Yesterday, looking at the gamma, 860 was a really big spot. When I saw the bottom wick start to come in on the daily chart and it start pushing towards 860, hold on, my Discord is like screaming at me because I don't have it pulled up on their side either. There you go. I'm on YouTube as well. So once 860 broke, there was like a huge like acceleration through 860, and they were building all the strike prices above MU. If you were looking at the heat map and looking at the premiums yesterday on MU, 880 and 900s were just freaking increasing and increasing and increasing. So when yesterday, and if you go to, let me mark 860 on the chart here, and you'll be able to see exactly where I took my entry end of day is there. 860 here. Oh, dadgummit. Now my chart's gone. Look at this guy.
Your chart is gone. Dude, they're gonna run TP? Holy fuck.
But once it got above 860, it accelerated into the close and went up to around like 870 area. But 880, 900 were screaming yesterday for a move higher. So that's the reason why I swung the $900 calls. And then that trend line, even on this 5-minute chart, it hit perfectly. It was nothing more than a larger time frame break of structure, and then just seeing buyers step in. Saw a lot of gamma building above. MU actually just made a new high of day. So MU is also in a daily squeeze that flipped bullish yesterday. So it is at a little resistance, but I would like to see MU go higher. Beautiful daily squeeze. MACD's positive. RSI's back over 50. Nice trend line break, retest. Buyer stepped in, started increasing above, and then it was just a magnet and off to the races.
Quant guy said he applied predefined entry, stop loss, and take profit rules to historical data that measured its performance using metrics such as win rate, average ARB, expectancy, profit factor, and maximum drawdown. When you did that, did you pick like, 30-point profit, 10-point stop type of thing and had it always set? Because again, if you do that, it's just like, it's never going to work. It's never going to work. Volatility changes every day. The market dictates my stop loss. Sometimes my stop is 30 points and I need to be in this amount of contracts. Sometimes my stop loss is 40 points and I need to be in this amount of contracts. So if you're trying to back test like strategies like this and you're just putting in the set parameter and always running that, again, it's not going to work. It can't just be complete robot mechanical. Like you have to have some form of discretion. Human touch, you decide, making decisions still has to, because like the trades I took earlier, like there's a reason on this trade I took 2 contracts and on this trade I took 4. I was risking the exact same dollar amount, but here I was able to only risk however many points it was, like 25 or whatever, or 30, and here I had to risk a little bit more. So my contract size is lower, but always risking the same dollar amount. So again, market dictates my stop, not me predefining it. There are strategies that might be able to work for that depending on how you trade, but with me, no, doesn't work. No chance. For instance, with this, with my risk where it was, I could have been in 7 contracts full risk. When I took it, that wasn't the case. When I took it, I could only have 3. I didn't decide to pyramid into the position, which is fine. I didn't want to. If you're going to go constant TP stop loss and points, you need to trail to skew your stop loss distribution in your favor, but you mess up your EV. In other words, don't make it constant. Yeah. Yeah, see, that's where, like, I love the quant stuff, and I love, like, algorithms. Like, that's why it's so, like, how do you build an algorithm that trades like me when it doesn't have that discretion? It doesn't have my experience and my knowledge to know, no, like, this is a day before CPI. Generally, you know, days before CPI, price action's worse, blah, blah, blah. Like, of course, I'm sure you can input that into algorithms and stuff, but it's never going to think exactly like you. I don't think we're there yet, at least. I don't know. We'll see. But trying to code strategies that heavily rely on discretion, extremely difficult thing to do. If you want to backtest and get data, quant, or for any of the other quant guys out there, if you want to backtest this stuff and get data, you have to go and manually backtest it. You're not going to be able to input it into any algorithm that shows you 10 years of data. You have to go and put in the work. You got to go. FX replay. Go backtest years worth of data. I did it. I mean, using your discretion every day. You're actively trading every single day in the market. Tell Siri, give you a random date between 2020 and 2026 and go trade for 2 weeks. Show me the results, right? Like, that's what you have to do. Unfortunately, it takes a lot more work. But then I can also come into the market, you know, trade like this, take 2 losses, hit 1 banger, sit here stress-free and chop shit with you guys while I'm up fucking 53 points. Right? Like, we need some Momo though. Damn.
Shitload of SNDK calls coming in. MU still popping up. A little bit of volume. They're expensive. I mean, someone's buying 1440 calls for 918 on SNDK. I just bought 311 contracts for 4 million.
This is the most competitive game in the world where you play against extremely smart. Each of T's strategy, not highly complex quantitative. I agree. There's a sense of complexity that should be in your trading, in my opinion. Like, simple is great, and everything should be, like, simple, but like you say, we're trading against the best people in the world. If you think there's not going to be some sort of complexity to it, I don't know. I think different, but there are people out there with some simple-ass strats. But after learning the vocabulary of everything that I do, what I do is simple to me. Like, you guys see me? I'm doing the same thing every day, man. It's simple, you know? But the vocabulary is complex. Yeah, using a fixed stop loss though on like any strategy, crazy. When 1 week volatility can be at 15 and another week it could be at 22, 25. There's no way you can, maybe there's a way, but I wouldn't subscribe to those thoughts for the people in the chat thinking that that is conducive for you. Let the market dictate your stop losses, especially when trading futures. This dog is living the life. You're just enjoying, huh, Coconut? Look at this dog, guys. Look at this dog. Live in. Livin like Larry. Coconut. Hey, look at the toe beans. Got little toe beans. Sleepy. Got it made, yeah.
I'm just
a little cloudy out in Puerto Rico today.
Just crushing food is all I'm doing right now.
Nice, yeah. That's perfect. Perfect time for me to take over a little bit. Next catalyst, like for the intraday?
Microsoft. Bye-bye. New low of day.
I don't want... What? Really? Oh. Dude, what?
I don't Is anyone still in the Microsoft 490 puts from earlier?
Google is still very weak too.
Bro, what?
Everything still looks disgusting.
Oh my god, Meta, they're trying to ruin my party, bro. What?
Dude, Meta, look at that volume on Meta. Oh.
Come on, give me one more partial on this, would you?
Dude, Meta selling, Microsoft selling, Amazon coming back down to the lows. Apple still looks like shit. Google looks like shit.
I'd consider trimming if we hit this high, depending on how we look at it. If we're getting speed over it, I'll let this partial hit. If we try and trade into this high and we're seeing like wickiness, I might just take another partial off. Juice box. Feels like we're trading overnight session, I know, right? It literally feels like Asia. We almost met Gav's dog before we saw Evan's face. That's crazy, huh? Almost. A juice box. You learned a lesson today.
This is the reason why I think we turn back around, is because every Mag 7 is weak.
Yeah, it's not good at all. I agree.
You know what's green and having a pretty good day?
Walmart?
Walmart.
Of course.
So I've already sent a chart out on this name twice. I'm not in this trade yet. I'm probably going to enter into it soon. She's a tough one to try to catch, but the McDonald's.
Mickey
so I might be going long Mickey D's here soon. I sent the chart out Sunday. Talked about it prior as well on stream. She's a tough one. She's back at the resistance in the daily squeeze. bullish divergence. I really love the small hammer from yesterday, and today is just a huge candle just trying to overtake it. The weekly, still 2 days left, but I love where it bounced at. I love the bottom wicks coming in. It's not out of the woods yet, but it's like it can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Just needs a little bit more time.
Speaking of charts, we talked about, Casey. Have you seen ticker EAT, Brinker, the Chili's one that we talked about?
No, I haven't looked at it in a minute. Let me take a guess. Probably freaking ripping.
And they had earnings beat.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah. Earnings up 12.5%.
So like all those like restaurant names that we were just talking about, Cheesecake Factory,
okay.
Texas Roadhouse.
I just pulled up cake. Oh my God.
Look at Texas Roadhouse, TXRH.
Why is my entire IRA not in Cheesecake Factory? Oh, Texas Roadhouse?
Yeah, look at Texas Roadhouse, TXRH.
Ooh, that looks like a monthly bull flag breakout.
Yep. And then go look at DRI, Darden Restaurants. So Darden Restaurants is
Olive Garden,
Longhorn, Olive Garden, Cheddar's,
yeah, all
Ruth
of them.
Chris. Go look at that one.
Weekly squeeze, monthly squeeze. Oh, that weekly just looks like a little.
It looks like a massive breakout's coming.
It looks like an ascending triangle here, because you can hit these higher lows and then you got that flat top across of it, like in the low 220s. That looks like she wants to go. Yeah, what about Cracker Barrel?
Oh, and what was that?
Oh, she's trying. She's trying. She's trying to bounce at zero. Earnings was good for it, but screenshot.
Yep. Caption's going to be TP of hopes and dreams.
Dude, if you loved Microsoft at 515, you're going to love it back at 465. Too soon. Too soon.
Too soon. They might want to come sweep the low of this range. At that point, why not just take out this low?
I think I heard a headline, but I was also watching this TikTok video.
Microsoft could see 490 before the close.
Casey, you mow your own grass?
Yeah. Because I'm a man.
Good answer.
And it's gas powered.
Oh, I know what I was going to say. Look at Crackle Barrel.
Yeah, we were just looking at that one. She's trying.
Massive recovery.
The earnings pop helped, up like 22%, but
Yeah, it just keeps holding though.
Chipotle and Starbucks. Oh, fuck.
So that's what's weird is Starbucks, Kava, Chipotle, even McDonald's, like the fast food, or I don't know what you even call those. Like not the sit down restaurants are not doing good. But the sit down restaurants like your Cheesecake Factory and your Texas Roadhouse and those are all doing good. Which is an interesting correlation.
If you have a drive-through, you're not pumping.
Basically.
First of all, Chipotle sucks ball. I hate Chipotle so much, I don't even remember what the ticker is. What is CMG? See, that's how much I hate, and little do I care about Chipotle. I don't even know what its ticker is.
CMG is also Cocaine Music Group. Yo Gotti. North Memphis.
Like, what a terrible stock to own. What a terrible restaurant. What terrible ingredients they use. Bland, no flavor. Like, I don't know what's worse, their food or their chart. Honestly, they kind of go hand in hand.
Oh, I'm dead.
Like, terrible. absolutely terrible. I hope this monthly is some kind of wonky Head and Shoulders, and it's just going to lose $30 and go back to 10. How is Chipotle's stock price higher than the amount they charge you for a fucking bowl?
I thought it was the same.
Dude, it's ridiculous. Everything about Chipotle sucks.
Bro, it's crazy. I have to go to Chipotle and spend 30. Like, if me and you went to Chipotle, we'd spend $32.62 to eat some bland ass food with no flavor.
Dude, Chipotle is ass.
Like, it's
KFC's
literally
coming to-
just a hype machine. That's all it was.
What's the ticker that that like KFC's under?
Yum Brands.
Yum. Yeah, Yum Brands. Ooh.
Yeah, I looked at it this morning too.
Daily
I
Morningstar
probably looked at
reversal?
I probably looked at 400 charts on the daily today, just scrolling.
Because
That's how
there was
bored
nothing
I've
else
been.
to do. You're just like trying to find something. Look at Daily Morningstar reversal on ticker Yum. There's a buy signal right now. She got a yummy, 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 yummy. Oh yeah, Evo, we were talking about cake. That's why I was like, my entire IRA, I should have just put in Cheesecake Factory. I could have retired last year. Dude, KFC, dude, I love me some KFC. I'll put down some
You know
KFC.
fire? Dude, a pollo loco.
I haven't tried it.
Bro, a pollo loco fucks. Like a pollo loco. Been a while.
Oh, I'm a big Pollo Loco fan.
You are?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I for a second I thought you said you didn't like it, and I'm like, bro, no. The pollo loco is so bomb. Oh,
So
There's that's a
chicken,
chart
beans,
too.
little tortilla, roll that up. Oh,
That's ticker Loco.
So 21 EMA Savage. I kind of tried Raising Cane's. There's a little backstory to this. So we walked around New York, right? We walked around Times Square trying to find a place to eat. I've been wanting to go to Raising Cane's. We get there, line's crazy. So, and we can blame this on Stock Talk, by the way. So, Raising Cane's, we're there, it's bumping. And Ryan and Will both go in and they wait in line. We're standing outside. Everyone was like, dude, we're not waiting in this fucking line. We need to go find some food. So they're like, all right, we're going to go to this pizza place. And it was the Spider-Man pizza place. I think it was Joey's Pizza.
I didn't even know we were going to that one. If I knew that, I would have said no, we're not going.
So Stock Talk wanted some pizza. So it came up with the Spider-Man pizza place. So we walk all the way down there. We get there. The line is all the way down the block. So this line's like even worse. And we're sitting there waiting for like 10 minutes and it's barely moving. So then we come up with another idea. We're like, all right, now we got to go somewhere else. So then they were talking about some other restaurant or pub, some like Irish place, whatever. So then we start walking in the direction of said restaurant. Now it's probably been close to 20, 30 minutes now of us still not having food walking around. When we're walking back, we meet up with Ryan and Will at an intersection, and they got their bags of Raising Cane's.
So they are on the sidewalk.
And he's eating it right there. So luckily, Ryan loves me enough. He let me try a bite of their chicken tenders and their cane sauce. Chicken tenders, not seasoned, but the sauce makes it better. So it was good. And then we walked around for almost another half hour until we finally gave up. And then me and Stock Talk, we saw this, I think it was called 77th Burger.
7th Street Burgers.
7th Street Burger.
Mhm.
And we were like, all right, there's no line that's out the door over there. And we just went across the street and we went inside.
I'm going to order a burger right now.
Dude, it was good. And we sat outside of a park. We were going to go sit. And so then it got a little bit worse, kind of. So then walked through this. We walked through this really nice park. I forgot. Someone said, they're like, we're going to walk through this park. It's nice. People hang out here. There's lights or whatever. And there's people hanging out. We go walk through the park. We finally get to the burger place, right? We get our burger. We leave. We walk back across the street. The park, all the lights are off. Everyone's gone. They shut it down. It was closed. So now we all have our food in our hands and we have no place to go sit down and eat this food that we have now been walking around for an hour and a half. So there are some stairs outside the park near the sidewalk by the road. So we all sat down.
Dude, the wolf pack was sitting on the stairs of Bryant Park in New York City eating 7th Street Burgers.
At 11 o'clock at night, we sat on these concrete stairs on the side of the road and ate some greasy. It was really
Ryan,
good.
I'm like, we're on the stairs eating a burger, and he's like, "What are you eating?"
Here, so let me tell my side of the story here. So we walked out of the happy hour, and there was just a lot of indecision. We literally walked out of the happy hour, didn't even make it halfway down the block, and we just had this ball of people on the sidewalk, just a doji indecision candle right there on the sidewalk. And I was like, we got a lot of and everyone was like, I want Canes. We had kind of agreed on Canes before we left, and then Casey just kind of got a little wishy-washy. But I was like, I looked at this big group of people, and I was like, all right, I'm just gonna start walking. So I just started walking and towards Raising Cane's, and the whole group just started following. Everybody's like, "Where are we going? Where are we going?" And I was like, I was so hungry. I hadn't eaten anything but like 1.5 sliders the entire day. This is like 9:30 at night. And then we go up to Cane's. I walk in there. It literally took us like 10 minutes. Like it looked like a big line, but dude, the way they crank things out in there, it literally took like 10 minutes. And me and Will walked out, and the whole group was gone because nobody else came in with us because they saw the line. The whole group was gone. So I was like, "Where are y'all?" Like, "Oh, we came to Joe's Pizza or whatever." So we start walking towards Joe's Pizza, and we get over there, and they aborted mission because that line was even longer. And then they start walking, and me and Will just start walking down. We're just eating our Raising Cane's, just walking down the sidewalk. And then Jordan's like trying to lead to some, I don't know where he was trying to go. And we like got to like the street that would have taken us back up to the hotel, like that area, or like keep going. And me and Will looked at each other. We just stood on that corner, finished our Raising Cane's, and then busted a left. Jordan sent me his location, and it was Bryant Park. And he's like, "Oh, we're gonna go to," I don't know. First it was like some Irish thing, and I don't know what it was. So we walked back towards the hotel, and like half the rest of the group bailed on you guys too, because they were sitting at the pizza place across the street from the hotel. Mm-hmm. And I get back, we catch them, we go to the pub, and I'm looking on my phone, and I just have Jordan's location. It's just sitting on the edge of Bryant Park for like 45 minutes. What the hell are they doing? They didn't even go to a restaurant. Nothing. What are y'all doing?
Bro, that show's funny.
Keep an eye on Meta. Meta's getting a really nice recovery. Potential 15-minute reverse.
I need it, bro. I need NQ to go up.
Yeah, Google's trying to bounce a little bit too after that drop. I do like Meta. I do like Meta's 15-minute.
When?
I think NQ's going down.
Why you gotta be so fucking negative, man?
Well, we just rejected IB midpoint and a bearish IB.
IB.
But SPX is kind of just pinned here, and you're still above EMAs. It's a slow market. SPY looks like it wants to push up, so like I guess you have. It's not like I'm like over here. Oh, I'm heavy short, high conviction. I'm just telling. No, it's just my analysis. Also, there's been a lot more selling the last like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
The cumulative delta's gone down quite a bit. Somebody put Pollo Regio in the chat. Pollo Regio is amazing too, by the way.
Never
I
tried
used
it.
to go there all the time out in Fort Worth. We have Pollo Loco here everywhere, and it's fantastic. Yeah, you just had a rejection of IV midpoint. You don't really have like any. I mean, 30-minute may put in a sell signal, but it's still too early in the candle to tell. If we take out this last hourly low, I'd start to get worried. The IV midpoint should take you back to the 25% retracement, which is 886. And if you don't hold there, you have the NFP as a magnet at 867 on NQ, and then you have IV low at 850. So that's your trade path here if you got short.
Q's looks like
You really need SPY and SPX to like weaken up though, because right now that's what's kind of holding you. But you look at the mags, that's kind of what we were talking about, right? The mag 7, we're all starting to get weak. Now, yes, they're bouncing a little bit, but Microsoft just made a new low of day and it's still sitting down here. Amazon's sitting right at low of day, basically. Google just bounced, almost a double bottom, but kind of a back test after bouncing off low of day.
every mag's red still, other than Nvidia.
Yeah, Broadcom just made a new low of day. That's people forget about Broadcom because it's not a traditional Mag 7, but it is like the 6th heaviest weighted stock, I believe.
Happy with that part.
I just want to look at the individuals within them, if anything, like Meta, I think.
I mean, I can say this with confidence, though. There's not like a... There's bullish arguments to make as well. You still have decently strong internals. You have mostly upside positioning. Slow, grindy market usually just kind of works its way higher. You just got out of the second lunch period. What does Dell do? Why are they up so much this year? Dell, so the reason Dell's up mostly is they do a lot of like the server, like Dell does a ton of server stuff. So like a lot of server racks and build outs for AI. You can buy a bunch of NVIDIA chips, but if you don't have anywhere to connect them together, it's a problem. Dell does a lot of stuff though. I mean, obviously tons of stuff, but people think of Dell and they think of like, oh, they sell computers, but they have tons of enterprise networking stuff. Like our small business has multiple 5 figures in Dell server stuff.
What's up, gang?
What up, squad?
Dude, that
Is
gold
that
short
swimming pool
printed,
talking to me right now?
bro.
What's going on? This swimming pool empty living
Oh, we
room is
can't
just talking
see
to me.
It keeps
Yeah.
changing my camera for some reason here. This should be better.
Yeah,
Slow.
there he is.
Swimming
Yeah.
pool in this empty living room.
Dude, well, this swimming pool just like copped a nice 10-pointer on gold on MGC. Thing dumped, bro. It was great.
And then bounced immediately.
Yeah, I know. That's why I took profit at that level. My take profit was exactly at 56 there, 44.56.
I haven't done much of anything again today, but I did make good money on the shorts this morning. No reason to fight this thing this afternoon.
Yeah, it's been a grind. I heard you guys talking about that the night, the wandering night. It was so funny. Dude, Casey, I'm so happy we ripped that pizza before we went to the bar.
Honestly, those $1.50 pizza slices were probably like some of the best like food that I think I've gotten from there when we were there. That was clutch. That was a good find.
Yeah.
See, that's what I mean. I was jealous of that, but I didn't have any food in me. At least you guys had like, that snack ahead of the happy hour, dude. I was
Well, they said that we were just gonna have like charcuterie and like little finger foods or whatever to pick from. We were there. I was like, no, I need something like
Yeah,
I need
substantial.
yeah. So then like we were right around the corner. We were walking there, and me and Will just were like, no, we're gonna go this way real quick,
Yeah, I saw the sign. It said a $1.50 pizza slice. I was like,
Dude.
yep, let's rip it.
and it was 100% worth it.
There you go, Joey.
Nice little rippage there.
I don't know the name of the place. I just remember it said $1.50 pizza.
It's just one of those
see-
$1.50 pizza places. They're all over.
Yeah.
New York.
The chart on the
It's high,
screen.
it's-
Jordan's messy. It's Jordan's messy ass chart.
Yeah, look at all those lines, dude. Ugh.
Oh my gosh! Everybody else has indicators, and my chart's messy. Y'all are crazy.
No, you just can't see it because it's a 1 minute and the text is like a size 0.4 font.
Jordan loves it though. He likes to squint and look at it and like ruin his eyesight. He's like, huh.
I'm not even squinting.
Oh.
I don't know. I can read a chart like this zoomed out. I can read things fine. Fair value gap, fucking order blocks. I like
Don't worry,
this.
guys. Fair value gap. He's got it, guys. Don't worry.
Been running the fucking shit today.
Now you can't like read like. I have to get so close to the screen to like be able to read what it says.
I still don't fully understand fair value gaps and inverse fair value gaps. I really should look into it. I feel like I see them, and then I like think I see like 4 or 5 more,
Yeah. The
and
problem
then I'm
is-
like I don't know which one's real and which one's not, and if I'm doing
That's the
this
issue.
right.
there's so many gaps throughout a given day. Like if you're not lining it with higher time frame, then you're just kind of drawing random things that aren't going to help you, to be honest.
Like, what is the blue highlighted box right there?
1 minute order block.
Okay.
Wait, was it 1 minute? I might have marked that wrong. Was it 1 minute or 5 minute? Actually, 5 minute. I marked that wrong.
Nice.
on it.
And then your entry for the long, what was it based off of?
Down here, we tap into this morning. We were tapping into this daily premium area, this wick that I was looking at. We tapped back into that today. So I was already looking bullish on the day, but then we just kind of sold off and chopped. So into lunch, since we chopped the whole time, I was looking for longs. Tried it here off of literally, we swept this low, fair value gap made, change in the state. I was trying to take that to the high of day, tried it again here. And now we tried it again right here. And simply just because we finally started going sideways a bit, we flipped trend, right? We were making lower lows, lower highs. What do we start doing? We break this high, and you can see a little inversion there. Order flow is now being respected as well. So we went from bearish gaps being respected and bullish getting ran through to now bullish gaps are getting respected and bearish is getting ran through, right? And so after I started seeing that happen, knowing that we've sold off all morning and going into lunch, I'm looking for a rebalance higher. I was willing to, as soon as this gap got created, I put order entries in to long that gap and just risking this low.
So that, what you just highlighted right there, that was a fair value gap?
This right here, fair value gap, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just
And-
because this wick and this wick have this gap in the price.
It's because that giant green candle took out that previous little swing high.
Same thing here. Look at bearish order flow getting disrespected, right? Running through it. Bullish is being what? You didn't even have to tap that one, but bullish is being respected. We come back, tap into it. So this is like valid inversion to the upside. Now we're just fucked though.
Yeah. I was gonna say I have used like some other fair value gap indicators as a like kind of overlay over the CBC that I use to just to see like, you know, what confluence there is between them, and there is some for sure. Like I see some entries like on the 15-minute, for instance. If I have like a fair value gap thing pulled up over my CBC, I'm like, oh, that's an entry I would take. That's an entry I would take, and it's like, oh, this thing is starting to make some sense to me.
Generally, shorting in a green daily candle has a negative win rate on NQ, but if you trade smaller time frame, maybe it can lead to some profit scalps. Yeah, I agree. But I'm with you. I'm with you, quant guy. I'm always trading with that bigger time frame, or try to at least.
What was that? Generally shorting.
I don't know what that statistic
Oh.
is and whether I agree with that, to be honest, but I do understand, like, you know.
You're talking about the previous candle being green or the current one?
I think the current daily candle being green.
Huh, well, no shit, Sherlock.
I didn't want to say it like that. I was trying to be nice, but
I'm sorry, that one got me. So if the candle's going up, like it's shorting, it's usually not a good plan.
Hey, what? It did look just like that though. That pizza place. That was it.
I like this
Guys-
short right here.
Yeah, I was about to say it looks kind
gonna
of good
try
for a
it.
short.
do you think market
I
profile?
don't think it was that exact one, but that is exactly what it kind of looked like.
guys.
What is market profile, Jarrett, specifically? Like, what do you mean by that?
Let's retrace back down here to like NFP or something.
What's a good free fair value gap on TradingView? I haven't found any I like. I would recommend learning them, drawing them yourself. Don't use an indicator. I haven't found one that marks them actually correctly. But
I mean, your 774 on SPY is increasing, but
bullish getting disrespected. Ugh.
disrespected.
Order block. Hold me. If we're breaking structure below these lows, I'm cooked. Not good. I'll get out the rest, and we made back some of the losses today. Great day.
SPX weeklies. Let's see. Price action looks pinned on your
Everything.
heat map.
It looks
Yeah.
limited upside and it looks supportive underneath.
You got a rejection spot here on SPX. I have a level here on SPY as well, just from previous price action for today. But you would want 77.50 to hold on SPX.
That's
If that
the
gives
magic.
out, then yeah. If that gives out, then no bueno. But longs
You just
off of
tested it
that.
like 5 times and then fell to go higher. And I'm just thinking if you come back and test it again, you probably are gonna at least push through it.
Oh, Sherman is on the way. Let's
If you
go.
hold right here, this is still just uptrend. It's interesting how much weaker Qs are.
Vol D just went positive on the day for the first time.
I just can't see Jordy's text on his chart because it's not zoomed in because the way these streams work is annoying. I mean, I've gotten used to it because I've done it for over a year, but mine's like zoomed in to like 125 all day long. But it's really annoying to do it on a laptop for sure. They're gonna hold these EMAs, aren't they?
I must just have young eyes or something. I don't know.
Oh no, it's because you're looking at it on your screen.
Well, no, I'm looking at it on YouTube. Looks beautiful.
No, the
Like, on my
text is
phone,
like
it looks beautiful.
text
Like,
is
even when I
this
zoom
big.
out like this, I can see 5-minute order block.
Like, look, I can blow this up. Hold on. And I can barely, I can read it, but like if I have to blow this up like the size of my monitor over here to be able to read the want to see speed over this high kind of runs together. The numbers run together. 5 minute plus OB. There we go. Drop it. Drop it low, girl.
I missed the whole morning. Where's Jordy at? Present, sir.
Right here.
I'm present. I'm just in a different spot today.
President. There was always one kid in class that would say that. KC Trades, president.
Ooh, this is dangerous area here.
Oh, they're gonna hold it.
Dangerous area.
They're gonna hold it.
IWM RTY looks good.
Yeah, everything looks good, except for Qs. But if the rest of the market starts pushing up, most likely QQQ will push up.
Shower
There's
oranges.
just a ton of gamma at the 725 that's been sitting here for like a week.
Well, I have a smash burger coming.
Brady is at a beach and there's horses on it.
Yeah. All right.
They're wild horses. What?
Oh, oh. Yeah, apparently there's wild horses on those beaches out there on the East Coast.
Dude, that's pretty neat.
I've seen
Where's he at?
Maryland somewhere.
Oh, nice.
I've seen horses on the beach in Mexico, but they're just offering you horse rides.
Get a little more zoomed in there.
Yeah, here they come. Google's recovering pretty nicely.
Do not come.
SPY and IWM look like they want to push.
This was the spot yesterday when we were talking about Google. When I was talking with Frank about it, I was like, any sweeps under 342, down 340, I think can be a good sympathy spot for it to bounce after.
At least a bounce after it's like 7-day down run.
Yeah. So I mean, I'm kind of interested. We got PPI tomorrow, so it's like, how many swings do I want to have on?
Yeah, right.
Don't be a bitch.
Dude, I already have someone. How many more I can throw on here? I like Google. I do.
I'll tell you what I like. QQQ 750 calls for like September.
I don't disagree.
Dude, IWM making an all-time high today.
It did at the open.
Let's go. It had to tag a new all-time high before SPY and Q's just rugged out of the gate.
Yeah, McBruno, that's what he said. That's where he said he was. Whatever that ass speech, whatever that is.
Asatigi.
Yeah, I don't know what language that is, but
Asatigi.
this is weird. There's just like way more selling than buying going on right here.
Dude, I don't know. I might long Google here. A little swangy swang. I'm interested. It's tickling my fancy a little bit.
My Aikido always wins. That's a teach. That's teach.
I think SPY still looks good for 774. Oh, you're already in Google calls?
I'm tired of this grandpa midpoint just getting slapped again.
Somebody's holding it down right here.
Yeah.
That's why I'm just trying to. I'm just watching more selling than buying over and over right here. Cumulative delta has dropped from like 2,000 to almost not like break even.
I gotta let this dude in and come fix my oven. They fired the old dude. been working on it. His name was Ryan. Apparently, he sucked at a job. They fired him.
They fired him?
They did. Because he was supposed to come out, but he didn't. So I called 2 days later. I was like, hey, he was supposed to come and replace the part in my oven. And they were like, was your tech Ryan? I was like, yeah. They were like, yeah, he's no longer with us. And I was like, oh no, how'd he die? And she was like, no, we just fired him. And I was like,
no,
okay.
we just fired his ass. Brutal. Probably drinking on the job. Yeah, a little Bailey's in his coffee, a little whiskey.
NVIDIA blog post that Alibaba goes live on NVIDIA at massive scale.
Bro, how'd he die is crazy.
She said he's no longer with us. And I was like, oh, gasp.
What if he died?
Yeah. Dude, I think Meta sees a new all-time high.
What if he was
Meta,
like...
Sorry, NVIDIA.
What if he like blew up somebody's gas stove and just... He's no longer with us. It's always weird when somebody says that in the business world. They're like, oh, he's no longer with us. And I'm like, oh, okay. Did he, get a new job or did he die?
Yeah. I need more context here.
I think the Obamas had a few oven workers that mysteriously died. So did the Clintons.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, SpaceX to me, I think is a fat short back at 150.
Probably walk away for 5 minutes. What the hell is this price action?
So
dude, 5 minutes. It's been like this for 5 hours.
does anyone remember?
Hey, I don't want to hear it. All right, Ryan.
You remember what JC taught about for his presentation at the Wolf Summit?
You want to say Jesus Christ for a second?
IPO opening price on SPCX until we close over. You don't even want to look at it,
dude. So if you take the anchored VWAP, right, and you just do it on all time for the stock right now, it lines up at 149.95. And it's where the IPO essentially was at. Like, how can you not try a short there? Is it a little bit lower? What's that now? 149.53? Yeah.
Add back to the short, I think is what you mean.
I mean, I gotta try it.
Until you get back over this line, if you guys know from JC's piece, like, there's just no reason to even touch it. No reason to even care.
Look how fast he threw that up. Look at that.
Yeah. Anchored
What
VWAP.
indicator? Use regular VWAP indicator?
No, you have
drawing tool.
Oh wait, SpaceX pumped today. Ooh, dang! Look at that.
It's under your.
Oh, they have an indicator on TradingView for it.
Yeah, you just slap it wherever you want.
Yeah,
it's where like the long and short position is and all that.
Yeah. What?
Remember, this is called. Do you remember? Does anybody remember what he called it? What he called the line?
Not me.
The Genesis line.
Genesis. That's right.
I was
Until you get over the Genesis line, you have no business longing it. Simple as that.
How did I not know there was a freaking quick tool on TradingView for this?
I didn't know that you could do this with your profit tool for the longest time. I didn't know that you could, for instance, I used to use a profit calculator. For the longest time, I had no idea that you could just grab your long tool, go to the settings, say how much you want to risk on each trade. Mine's 250 at the moment. And then based off where I put my stop loss, it just tells me, oh, I need to be in 20 contracts, or I'm risking this many points. I need to be in 9 contracts.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
9, or this and that. And then I can just set my limit order, and you can just click create limit order here, and it'll create a limit order based off your tool that you used. Saves me so much time. I
accidentally grabbed a beer instead of a seltzer.
Oh, just actually.
Damn it.
Oops. I don't know what I did.
That's the worst. I know.
That's not right. Hold on.
Yeah, I don't trust SpaceX here. I would not trust SpaceX pumping like this.
Okay.
Don't worry, the bulls will come. All the SpaceX bulls say, "Yeah, I told you so. Look, we're gonna go to the moon now."
Watch. I won't be surprised if, like, yeah, you see that a lot today, and then if we don't get over that Genesis line, it's just another pop to short, like Casey was saying. Everybody gets excited today, and next week it drops.
Hopefully to reshort.
Oh,
Yeah.
You keep saying
not
short.
looking too bad. Walmart here.
Reshort. Add back to
Reshort.
short.
Yeah, add back.
I want to see Walmart get over 115 here, but if it does, I like it. I like it for a long.
My burger's 7 minutes away. 7
Where'd you
minutes
order
ahead.
from?
Smash Burger.
Nice.
It's like literally a place called Smash Burger. It's good.
Dude, that 7th Avenue burger was delicious. I took Cade there after
Bang.
y'all
So good.
club. It's so
Fries.
good, bro. Straight now, dude. The freaking fries, the Cajun fries, were bomb, bro.
They are still holding SPX.
Oh,
Bro,
oh. Spy pop. Oh, 774 coming
I
up.
don't like all these lows that we left.
Dude, this chop fest is ridiculous.
Yeah.
There's your midpoint on ES now.
That's
No,
774
dude.
was getting lit up. Let's see. Is it still? Yeah. 77 still a mag. 774 still a Magnon Spy. It's looking good for it.
Give me full TP.
Look how much it's growing. Look at the channel. Just freaking growing.
Bomba Claman.
Google creeping in your window.
Google creeping in your window.
Yeah, I'm like, I want to swing Google calls. I really do.
Origin of the universe, pussy clot, me from the boot clot, me from the food dog, when the long show done.
These internals are strong. NVIDIA's strong.
Prove the algorithm with Einstein.
Meta's trying to reverse.
Come on, Meta. Give me that juice.
Yeah, I had a 15-minute morning star.
Amazon and Microsoft are not participating.
All right, I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Gonna go grab this burger.
I don't like a lot of other things that I see on Google, though, that I'd want to see for this to go higher. For a swing. That's the only thing.
It took me an hour and 15 minutes, but I found my backup codes for Discord. Oh my god. And I got another computer up and running. I thought it was busted. That's how I got the backup codes. What a fucking shit show today's been.
Mm-hmm.
This is terrible. Good thing I had a couple decent trades this morning.
Oh, I'm glad I was done at 10 a.m.
I thought you were gonna say a couple of a couple of beers.
couple beers.
I
Thinking
think I
about
had
it.
a couple of beers.
Getting a couple beers and a little bump.
Good thing I had a tall Budweiser.
You ever drink a Budweiser right before you take some trades?
Hi, if you were a hot dog and you were starving, would you eat yourself? Heck, I would. Polish it off with a tall Budweiser.
Oh, good. I thought you were gonna pick. What was it like? Not cow disease.
Yeah, he said, if you had the choice of being the top scientist in your field or getting mad cow, what would you choose? I'm just a warrior, I guess. Got a couple friends that call me Whiskers.
Whiskers.
Hi.
Holy shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, I just want to see the strike prices increase on Google, but they're not doing. They're holding. They're just not increasing.
SPX looks like it wants this 60 and then probably die.
And there you go. Bullflow 1 month subscription paid for by SPX Jet. Let's go.
I do kind of want to see Jordan get this TP.
I have faith in SPY. IWM/RTY is still ripping. That was like the first sign, usually as always.
Yeah, that was the first sign this morning too for downside.
Yeah. Right. Like I saw IWM going. Looking at SPY, I'm like, okay, it looks good. Qs, I don't know. Are we shorting SpaceX? I don't know.
Not yet. Wait for the level.
Did it get to 150? Has to get up there to 150. Someone's got an echo.
It's probably Jordan.
Echo.
I think it's Frank.
Yeah, it was me. Sorry.
Oh, you're good, Frank.
Sequoia and talks to buy Kalshi for 40 billion valuation.
I was saying on the space this morning with Casey, but Kalshi is one of the reasons why I'm so bullish on Hood. All their prediction market order flow goes to Kalshi or goes through Kalshi, but they charge commissions on that.
There's no way SpaceX stops $1 short. Not yet. Look at that 150. Look at the gamma on SpaceX. Calling for that 150 today.
I mean, heavy D, it might as well be halted the way it's moving.
You think you halted?
It might as well be, bro.
Yee! HTZ? Yeah, no, Hertz. So Wall Street bets dudes are pumping that thing.
Bill Ackman in that one, I think.
He probably runs Wall Street bets.
I think he bought that one in Uber, and he thinks that they're going to combine.
I don't mind Uber.
I think it would be a good idea. Uber's not acting well because it's fighting the robotaxi war.
Uber's in a weekly pennant and squeeze right now. It hit the top of it yesterday. I think your 200 was right up there as well. And I mean, weekly candle right now looks like shit just coming back down into it. So I still have it on watch. I just need to see more from it. But I don't think it's messed up.
Can you take me higher, baby? Look at her go. Sexy girl. Sexy girl.
Sexy girl, what's your name? Google straight pumping.
Sexy.
Thank
Thank you.
Buy you some calls.
Is Sherman here?
There's your speed, Jordan.
Sherman's here.
Look at this high. Yeah, she look sexy. Look at, and I've had no stress this whole time. I've just been kicking back, chopping shit with you guys. I just went and grabbed my burger. About a grub, zero stress whatsoever.
I alerted MU twice.
Nice push there on the 15-minute chart, too. Nice, nice, nice.
You feel that high.
There you go.
Okay, this is where I need to think about taking another partial. I
Why
want
don't you
this.
just move your stop? Move your stop up.
Don't need to yet, but I want to see if we see speed over this high, then yeah, I can move my stop up.
Well, yeah, I mean, in lieu of taking a partial, I mean,
Since it's already above break even, I don't need to, but yes, 100%. That's the right thought process. Is like, if I can't trim, at least move stops break even profit. I think it's late.
Google, yeah.
Dubes.
Yeah, see if she gives you some more into the close. Looks good. All right. Gotta go let Sherman in.
The goobs.
Sherman.
Yeah, he's here to fix my oven.
Sherman sounds like the guy that would work on appliances.
Good old Sherman. Well, your oven's broken?
If I ever meet a Sherman, I'm gonna be like, what do you do? Do you work on appliances?
No, my grandpappy did that. I work on I do
I
plumbing.
sell paint accessories.
There you go. Shermanator.
Is your last name Williams?
It's actually Sherwin Williams, Ryan.
Dude, that's the joke, right?
Yeah, trust me. Everyone, I used to work there for like 8 years, bro. So.
Oh, I forgot you worked there.
Yeah, I was a manager, bro. A couple locations actually. Good times. Good times. The old HHW stock got me some good returns, I will say. But everyone would always call and be like, Sherman? I'm like, no, man, it's Sherwin. I just started going along with it at some point.
No, this is Patrick.
Exactly. You could see me huffing some paint. It definitely happened a couple times.
Yeah.
The epoxy, I mean, the epoxy gets to you, dude. Especially when you're tinting, like hardcore floor epoxy. Oh my god, the fumes, bro. The fumes.
Is this manipulation to go lower?
Potentially, actually, accumulation manipulation. But what are you manipulating into?
I'm just trolling. I'm just trolling.
No, it's a valid thought, though. It is.
Will it distribute lower? Let's see if it delivers.
Baby girl.
Deck staining. Let's go, Jarrett. Let's go. Some good old deckscapes, bro. The oil base, Mateo. Yes, the oil base. It's crazy, dude.
I'm bored.
Classic. Classic. Bro, what if this continues to chop up into the close? God. Ugh. Nasty.
NVIDIA just kind of tuckered out a little bit.
Yeah, not getting speed over this high. Yeah, that sucks.
Well, the market knows you're eating your burger, so you know you have to. It needs to give you a little break, give you some time. Oh, McDonald's pumped up a little bit today too. Oh, I like McDonald's on the daily. Actually, if we can hold above those EMAs there, I don't mind that. Weekly still looks a little rough.
Oh, rough. Just like your mother likes it, Trebek.
That was a good one too.
Wow.
That Celebrity
take-
Jeopardy with Will Ferrell.
I'll
is pretty
take
good.
now for 500. Let it snow.
I'll take the Ape Tet. That's Ape Petite. Never mind. Anal bum cover. That's an album cover.
Trebek.
Trebek. That one, it's like him and Burt Reynolds.
Yeah, who was Turd Ferguson? Yeah, Turd Ferguson.
Turd Ferguson. He said, Burt Reynolds? That's not my name.
That's not my name.
Turd Ferguson? Yeah, what's up? You buzzed in. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. Okay, well, that's your opinion.
SPX is coming in. SpaceX is coming into resistance here on the daily.
Almost there. Almost there. Probably just start now, but
The slow grind.
The slowest.
Slowest ever.
The slowest to ever do it.
all I keep thinking in my head is Frank never showed a dull market.
Yep.
Should have got long with Rizzo last night. I looked at it and said,
Dude, where's he long from?
he closed it pre-market.
Yeah, I was looking at some gold longs last night during Asia session. It was beautiful. I just didn't execute. Didn't pull the trigger. I should have. Just gorgeous, gorgeous setups.
Great burger. Closest thing I have to In-N-Out out here.
Nice, Jordan. Nice. Looks like that fair value gap is holding.
Come on. Daddy said go up, you go up. You listen.
You listen.
I ain't listen to Ace, baby.
It's looking good. I really wish I longed to this thing back towards that EMA 200 there.
NASDAQ. If you don't listen to Ace, I'm gonna put you in your place, girl. There's not any speed in this market.
No speed. No speed.
That's why I'm not super attached to this at all. Take Profiosa. I like that. I'm using that.
Takis Profius.
Take Profiosa, please. Hit TP. Nah, they're struggling. Hey, but at least I got 11 milligram anilles to the dome here.
I really would like to see us come down 10 points, 8 points. Just hit that like next gamma spot.
Gamma spot. Double fill.
These 4-hour wicks are looking sketchy.
You reject the midpoint enough times, eventually you have to go find some more buyers.
Yeah, literally.
Eventually, eventually the exhaustion sets in. Fucking David Goggins over here.
David Goggins.
They don't know me, son.
They don't know me. Ran through this completely.
Hey, you ever have the market makers hunt down your stop loss, get you out of a long position you were in? It's terrible.
A little bit of accumulation, a little manipulation, right
Every
into
day,
some good old distribution.
Every day we watch it. Every day.
I love trading.
Gets me hard as a diamond in an ice storm.
Yeah, it does, bro. It really does. Absolutely.
Let me tell you, that's hard.
deal. Deal.
Out of this, Grandpa.
I don't know what you want me to do.
Oh.
Good God. We hit you with that Billy Madison sass. Any other brain busters? Spell buzz. B-U. Any other
Ooh.
brain busters?
Tickling stop loss. Tickle, tickle. Ugh.
Come on back down to that old NFP, sir. Boom! Boom! Sorry, Jordan, I'm not cheering against you, but cheering for
Oh, no,
me.
you're fine. That's taken out in profit. I'm happy. That's a W. Leave that. We'll go bang. Where was my order? 921. 921. Bang. Refresh because this shit's being stupid. Because I've been recording on OBS for 2 hours. No wonder everything's so slow. Oh my goodness. That makes sense.
William's turning green. Hell yeah. Dude, is that your P&L? Bro, look at William's camera.
Oh shit.
Let's go, Will. Will, are you in
Yeah.
the short? I can tell.
Wait, what's my camera look like?
It's flashing green.
That's weird. I hope that's my
It's pretty
P&L.
I hope it is too, because you're getting paid.
Add this to the journal. Bang. Bang.
Power hour.
Sweep this low and take it right to where I thought.
So that's kind of what I was asking about earlier, right?
Just doesn't matter. We've already traded down here multiple times. I don't want to see us come back here. Does it mean the market can't
Yeah.
go back? Of course not. But do I want to sit through the headaches any longer?
Well, what's the term you use? Efficient? Price is not
Efficiency.
efficient right here.
Like, it's not efficient. Can it still go there? Sure. But like, do I want to fucking
You need efficient
run this bullshit? You know? Like, no.
Will is getting engulfed by a green candle.
Yeah, you're literally getting in gold. Yeah, watch for that sweep of the low, but I'm not playing it. That's done for me. That's 3 trades on the day. Way more than I usually do. 1 winner, 2 losses. Whoa, just sign me out of my freaking funded? Okay.
Hey,
I guess
you're done. That's what it just told you.
You're done. It's over.
Great.
All games are over. Cubs win. Cubs win.
Yeah, look at nice sweep of the low.
Oh, the 10-minute sell signal here? Is that what I see?
Nice sweep of the low. Full respect the midpoint of that gap. We'll see if she goes. How much am I actually need to sign back into my account because I need to see how much I'm actually down or break even. So I don't really know, to be honest. Bang, bang, bang. Sign in.
Let's go to VWAP.
VWAP. VWAP.
Damn, they looked good off that low. Assholes.
They stop you out, Jordan.
Yep, stopped in profit.
Nice.
1 winner, 2 losers. I still need to see how much have I made
These damn
back.
market makers, man, hunting your stop loss.
Nar.
Mythical market makers.
Nar. I do want people to
And if you
understand.
look here, what a mythical creature, the young market maker in the wild, in his natural habitat,
So
providing liquidity, watching your stop,
He's hunting all his liquidity down.
hunting your stops.
I started off down $180
Rest
on
indeed.
first trade. Second trade, I took another loss. I don't know for how much. I was down total like 360 on the day. Now we're only down 203 on each of the 20 accounts. So manage risk.
Oh,
What we do.
I like it. What's your drawdown on those accounts?
Right now, trading
Not
half
your,
risk.
not yours. Like from the rules. Like
2K.
what is the max? 2K is the max. 2K per account's the drawdown.
2K per
50K
account,
accounts.
Yes.
Okay. No, I don't. I'm not asking how much you're sitting in drawdown or whatever. I'm asking like what the you took a $200 loss. You could take that 10 losses in a row. I mean,
I forget if the Apex accounts they might actually give you to 2,500. I gotta check that.
are they trailing?
No, mine are end of day. The ones that I'm on now, but
Still like it, but like if you go up, if you get like a 7K balance in there, does it stay at 0 or does it stay at 2K or whatever?
it's always going to be 2K drawdown, but it's end of day, so it's going to wait till the end of day to
Okay.
actually set in. Yeah.
But it doesn't because a lot of them like trail to 0. I don't think
Yeah.
Apex does that, but that's why I was asking. 'Cause I couldn't remember for sure. Because like Top Step, Lucid, Tradeify on the funded account, like you have whatever your drawdown is, like your 2K, 2,500, 3,000, whatever your size account is. But then
Yes.
once you get above, like once that gets to once you have 3,000 plus in profit or whatever, your drawdown just sits at 0.
Yeah. To be honest, I should check that. I'm not entirely sure, to be completely honest with you.
Harlan, do you think we were actually? We're not being serious about market makers being mythical creatures. We have several friends that are market makers.
No, they are. JP's right.
We were-
They're unicorns.
We were just at the stock exchange talking to the market makers, dude.
They can totally see our stop losses, by the way. Just like Ryan confirmed.
There's a I took a picture of my stop loss on Citadel screen.
Real talk. Everybody just put their stops in the most predictable places.
Yeah.
I don't need to see your screen and know what your stop loss is. Shit's easy to see.
Well, for me, you probably do.
Maybe for you, yeah. But like,
What the hell's a stop
90% of the
loss?
traders out there that are buying the next higher high, or they're putting a stop on most reasonable low.
I don't even know what a
That's-
stop loss is, boys.
That's what I'm saying. A stop loss is just accepting defeat.
Yeah, exactly. You can't ever lose if you don't sell.
Yeah, but you can't get fucking liquidated.
Liquidate. I've never been liquidated in my life, Jordan. What are you talking about? I drink plenty of water, dude.
Little liquidees.
They'll never find Rizzo's stop loss. True.
Well, his broker knows where it's at. It's called the margin limit.
Super Cup on. PSG versus VIA.
Just waiting for someone to say it. Thank you, Saz.
Yeah. I don't know that I want to watch Aston Villa. And I don't think either team, from what I saw when I looked at it this morning, neither team had half their players starting.
You say
Maybe we do.
Aston or Austin Villa?
It's Aston Villa.
I thought I was going to say I thought it was Aston Villa.
It's Villa instead of Villa.
Yeah. I'm actually going to Austin next week for a bachelor party. Been a couple of times.
I go.
Bofa. Yeah, Bofa. Both of these nuts.
That being said, if anyone has any restaurant or bar recommendations for Austin, if you've ever been there, let me know, please. I've only been there a handful of times and have done all the touristy stuff, so. I said Austin.
Dill.
Mm-hmm. I've already been to Terry Black's, but Terry Black's is kind of like, it's just like basic. I know there's better barbecue spots.
When you eat, what do you eat?
When I eat, what do I eat? What do I normally go for? Usually like Mexican or Asian.
No, what's it called? You eat starts with an M. It rhymes with dill. Like a happy
mill.
A mill.
Mill.
Okay. Where do they process paper and still at?
In a mill.
All right. So if it's a pickle, it's a what pickle?
It's a dill pickle.
Dill pickle. And Trump is known for the art of the
dill.
All sounds the same to me.
Unfortunately, not going to Kill Tony, Jake. I've been to the arena shows before, but those Kill Tony shows in the mothership, they sell out very fast, so we're not doing that.
Dude, I would love to go to Kill Tony in person.
Oh,
Dude,
it's amazing.
I'd put my name in the bucket for sure.
Dude, the arena show was incredible. We went to the very first one on New Year's Eve. It was like the night before New Year's Eve. It was fantastic.
No preparation, just straight up. I just go raw dog a minute up there and just get roasted.
You start doing trading jokes. No one gets it. Everyone's like,
yeah. I'm a day trader in the stock market, and I mostly trade ICT concepts. And every time I meet a girl, I just go up to her and I would say, "Hey, I'd like to sweep your sell side liquidity."
Inverse your fair value gap.
Can I inverse that gap?
Midnight Cowboy? I'll have to type that in.
Yeah, I'll rebalance to your midnight open.
Why does that sound like a gay bar?
Yeah, let me fill up that order book, baby.
Oh, sheesh.
Come on, baby. Just go with the order flow.
Oh, nice.
Do you have a big green dildo?
No, I just liquidated my pants.
I just liquidated my pants. Not in Austin, no.
Have you ever kissed a girl in Austin? That's a very specific question.
Interesting. Can't say I have in Austin.
Not in Austin, but down in San Antonio.
Oh,
they call me the Texas tongue twister.
This place looks pretty sick, dude. Midnight Cowboy looks really cool, actually.
Old Texas tongue twister down in San Antonio.
Oh, it's a speakeasy. That's why this looked weird at first. Interesting.
Can we drop already? We need to liquidate. I've been short for like a while. My average is like 9.010.
Don't sell yourself short, Ryan.
Like 9.010. Why? I don't know why that said 9.010. Anybody remember the Cat Williams joke? 9 p.m., 9:05, 9:10. Don't know why that says 9:10.
I'm just thinking of the Chappelle Show skits now. Yeah. Okay.
Fuck your couch.
Yo, couch.
I like that one.
Yo, buy another.
Rick
You can just
James,
buy another
motherfucker.
one. You rich motherfucker.
Rick James, motherfucker.
Rick James, bitch.
Rick James said, he said, I didn't put my shoes on his couch. So I was laying there with my shoes on his couch.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug.
Or, dude, some of the Chappelle ones you can't even like quote anymore because it's just a different time.
Yeah.
But Tyrone Biggums, that one.
Oof. That's classic, bro. That is classic.
Can't understand you. Would you TP at VWAP on the short? The reason I would do main TP at VWAP is the NFP level is right where VWAP is. So you can see the NFP down here. Should be a magnet on QQQ. You can see right here on NQ, it's right around 68. You also have the one of this anchored VWAP, the outer band there. The actual VWAP is at 69, so seems like a good spot to just trim right there and then leave a runner if this wants to go to like IB low. 853, 850, that area.
You see Google?
I do
Straight
see
climbing.
Google.
IWM is about to make a new high of day.
The Googs.
The geeks.
I don't know if this bounces back up right here. I'm going to have done a lot of work to make not much money.
You know, maybe it is time for a beer.
What'd you call me?
Good looking.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking?
Hey. Oh, Frosty. Nice, dude. Yeah, I mean, honestly, we're just up for anything. Definitely barbecue. We're looking for. I know that like Terry Black's is like the quote like most popular one, but I know there's better ones. Just hearing from people I've talked to that lived in Austin. So I'm open for anything really. Anything Mexican barbecue doesn't matter to me.
Oh, dude, go to Torchy's Tacos and get the trailer park.
Torchy's Tacos. I'm gonna type this in.
So Torchy's Tacos is not like an actual taco place, but it kind of is. They have a fried chicken taco. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm always up for recommendations. This is great.
They have like a secret menu. I can't remember. There's like the main menu. It's called a hillbilly. And then the other one's called like the trailer park or something. And it's like, so like fried chicken strips with like bacon and cheese or something. It is a
This looks
dream of a
good.
taco.
This looks really good, bro.
And it's pretty good. I mean, they're expensive, like $4 tacos or whatever, but they're pretty good.
That's the best
But it's
kind
not.
of tacos.
So it's not like Mexican tacos. That's the point. It's definitely like Tex-Mex, decent quality, like I would say above average quality ingredients.
Taco Deli is better. Let's type in Taco Deli.
I don't know. I met the founder of Torchy's Tacos. He started with a taco truck in Austin and then grew to like tons of locations. I think he had one in New York at one point.
Dude, hell yeah. Taco Deli looks great too. I might just have to try all of these.
Oh, really?
Oh, I think I've had this before. I've been to some taco place in Austin before. This looks really familiar. It's really good.
They'll definitely have Pollo Regio.
Evangeline Cafe. I'm type that in too.
You gotta go to Whataburger.
I love what I mean. I have Whataburger here, so
Oh, that's right. I forgot Whataburger's like expanded. There's one in
Yeah.
my hometown. I forget that it's even there.
the Whataburger is amazing. The honey butter chicken biscuit.
Dude, I get the I get that patty melt.
The patty melt is really good. Taco Time is decent. Hipster tacos.
Look at these jerks. QQQ, they just want to pin it right in this Gamma 725, don't they? Don't do that. Go down to 724.
Someone said velvet tacos, I think. Or no, Taco
I
Bell.
I never really liked Velvet Taco. It was good at 4 a.m. because it was like open.
Square Rose.
I like my girl's taco the best. It's a pretty good answer, Brandon.
Ding, ding, ding. He wins the giveaway.
Here you go. 300K eval account for you.
Congratulations. Yeah, I'm loving the recommendations. Hell yeah. I cannot wait to.
Austin does have like crazy amounts of amazing food. Like it all depends like what you want.
Yeah, I had Matt's El Rancho last time I was there. That was really good. And then I had a couple of other taco spots, I think. And they were fantastic. Always down to try something new, though.
Yes, Velvet Taco is a real place, Peter. It's I don't even know how to describe what it is, but tacos are mid. It's a popular place a lot of people go to before or after going to the bars.
Fado Irish Pub is permanently closed. Frosty, sorry.
Dang. Woohoo's Fish Tacos. Can you share your
What is
MES
it?
short? Who has MES short?
I'll have to pass this on to the soon-to-be groom.
Do one of y'all have a MES short?
I don't.
Okay. Sorry, I don't think any of us have MES shorts. But if I was in it, I would be short at 80 with a target of 72.
Gotta love it.
I gotta short my daughter is what I'm gonna do.
I'll be there soon enough, dude. She's
Good.
quiet right now, but she's
Lord. She just started walking. And so she just half walks and like stumbles her way up to you and then just tugs on your clothes until you pick her up.
I am back. What the heck? We actually went nowhere.
Don't do anything.
My microplay was a loss.
What's up, Rizzo?
Hello, hello. Took a freaking. How long was that nap? 3
Here
hours.
we go. Please give me some DPs.
TP for the PP.
Sometimes I trade all day long. I sat here and built into a short from was it like 1:30 to 3 o'clock. I finally just got another little. I just took a little trim there, right there on that little flash down, and I've got one more trim sitting at 68, and then I have 83.
Very happy with the stopwatch.
There you go. Come on. Give him the trim. Come on. Give him the trim.
Boom! Boom! There
Nice,
it is,
bro. Nice.
There is 7750. I would be trimming or getting out of ES right here. And I'm moving my stop down. And if you look at QQQ, we're almost, oh, we're not even there yet. 840, no, where's this going to line up at? 850s? Yeah, basically 853, 854, somewhere in there. It's probably going to be the NFP. Oh, are you gonna go to Buc-ee's?
I mean, I have a Buc-ee's nearby, or they're building one nearby, but I've been to Buc-ee's before.
Dude, Buc-ee, if the Buc-ee's isn't in Texas, it doesn't count.
It does count. The Buc-ee's in Florida are great. There's multiple.
The only thing great about Florida is when you see the sign that says "Welcome to Alabama."
I have to disagree. We have
I'm just kidding.
We have incredible things here. We have incredible gators and meth heads here, I would say. Both contribute to society.
Dude, there's nothing better than just going and reading headlines that start with Florida man.
Agreed. It's because of our sunshine laws that you're allowed to do that too. Because we're so transparent.
Sunshine.
Wow, our freaking ETH was twice the range of today's RTH.
I live in North Florida, Garrett, in Tallahassee specifically.
Tallahassee.
Yeah. I've been watching nothing but Florida State content for the past like 3 days now. And
Dude, we're so close. It's like 2 weeks.
Yeah, the consensus is that our team, our Ashton Daniels is our new starting QB, and he's not terrible. Like, he's not bad, but we might have something to work with is the consensus. We just kind of have to wait and see. Nothing is like standing out from the scrimmages that just happened. We had 2 scrimmages. There's not like amazing, like, oh my God, like we're back, but we'll see what happens. It's kind of a consensus.
Yeah, you guys got a lot of work to do. Derek, 30A is super nice.
30A is super nice. I love 30A.
Super nice. I love that area.
Yeah, 30A.
Honestly, I'd probably venture to say I'd prefer to go to 30A over Destin.
Oh, 100%.
It's just too much going on.
Yeah, 30A is a nice little like beach village town. It's cool. Resort.
Destin is just, yeah, to me, like outlet malls and people. Fort Walton's actually, if you just drive across the bridge, Fort Walton's actually much better experience than Destin.
The Panhandle's the best part of Florida, in my opinion, is the Panhandle.
I 1,000% agree.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people that will fight me on that argument. And I'm like, dude.
I love living on the Panhandle, dude. We get seasons up here. Like, the beach is really nice. It's not crazy slammed like it is in Miami. The Redneck Riviera.
Yes, sir.
I mean, hey, that's why I like it so much, dog trainer. That's why I like it.
Really, the Redneck is like, what's it called? Perdido Key.
Mm-hmm.
Like the very edge, all the way over there. Because you have Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and then you drive across the bridge to Florida, and it's Perdido Key. Navarre is like a really nice place. It's just like super quiet over there. Like you don't have to deal with. Yeah, you just don't have to deal with stuff.
Yep.
All right, I'm going down to one runner here.
Good play, Ryan. Good play.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
That'll do, pig. Yeah, I got a friend who manages Airbnbs and sells houses over in 30A. She's awesome.
Pensacola's not bad. You get to watch like the Blue Angels practice out over the ocean.
Pensacola's really cool. I like Pensacola Beach a lot. Flaming Dr. Peppers.
Big Papa, I have to say, like I have zero interest in ever getting on a cruise ship.
You ever been on a cruise ship, Ryan?
No, Zero interest.
Dude, cruises are incredible. I love
Same,
cruises.
zero interest. I am with you, Rye.
Dude,
Zero.
if you've never been on one, you can't dog on
Well,
it.
that's why I'm not sitting here. I'm being upfront, telling you I've never been on one, but I have no. That's why I said. That's why I said I have no interest in going on one, because I'm not gonna say like, oh, cruises suck, because I've never been on one. I can't. Yeah.
It's a floating buffet. True. It really depends on which one you get on. I will say never, ever, and I mean ever, hop on a Carnival cruise. You never need to do that. Don't ever subject yourself to that.
I'm more of a Carnival cruise budget type of guy.
Okay, well, if you're looking for cruises on a budget, honestly, Royal Caribbean's not terrible. I do like Royal Caribbean a lot.
Oh, you get more payouts than me. No, I'm just kidding.
I mean, you can find some good deals during Black Friday, dude.
I have no desire to get on a cruise, because I don't want to go on vacation and be on a boat for 4 days out of 7. Like, I can go to a theme park or whatever, it's the same thing.
The thing I like about a cruise so much, though, is that like I get to wake up in a different location. I get to go to bed and wake up and go, oh wow, I'm in a different city. Like anytime I go to Europe, like I did like a 9-day Greece cruise, and we just like traveled across the islands. It was awesome.
I'll give you. So I would do a Mediterranean cruise. I would actually be interested in, or possibly an Alaskan cruise. Those are the only two that I'd be.
That's what I would recommend.
The Caribbean, like the cruises that everybody talks about.
You don't need those.
Dude, why would I want to go spend all this time on the boat? Because there's a casino and there's a water slide and a little DJ, a lot of buffets. Like I don't know. I would rather go to an all-inclusive resort and just be there the whole time and actually enjoy it.
Exactly. Yeah, I recommend a cruise for Alaska, for Europe, and I mean those are always like amazing. I never do like Caribbean ones. I've done the Caribbean twice, I think now, and it's just not that impressive.
I was just saying, like, I would rather just go to Cozumel for a week, or
exactly,
Belize or wherever. Like, I don't care. And I get like some people are like, ooh, I've been to Cozumel, I've been to Isla Mujeres, I've been to Belize, I've been to Jamaica, and it's like, did you? You got off a boat for 6 hours. Like, have you really been there?
I want to go back to Santorini.
I'm going flat right here, by the way.
I was on. Honestly, the Greece cruise I was on was just awesome, because Greece is it's all split up amongst different islands. So it's a great way to just like get an experience of each island. And yeah, it's like a, I equate a cruise to like a sampler appetizer at a restaurant.
Thing, like,
it's like you get a little nibble of each, but it's not like the full experience. So it makes you want to go back. But it was cool that I got to, go to bed, wake up and be like, oh shit, like we're on a new island. Let's explore and check it out. And it was sick.
So like I'm not the guy that like looks to just check off the list, like, oh, I've been to this place, I've been to this place. Like, I want to go experience the place. And you're not going to do that in a couple hours. Like, you walked up and you looked at a cathedral, you ate at one restaurant, you bought a little keychain from the gift shop, and you left. Like, you didn't experience that place. You just checked it off a list.
Yeah, you need to go back.
That's just my perspective.
No, and it's not a wrong perspective. I'm saying that like that's exactly what it is. But I like it because you get that taste and you're like, okay, like I want to go back to that place now. Like, because I got to, experience it very briefly. I want to have a full meal.
I am flat, by the way. I don't know if anybody heard that. This is close enough to my target.
Now, on the Greece cruise we did stay in Istanbul overnight, which was sick. So I got to experience like Istanbul nighttime, nightlife and everything. That was cool. And then we didn't leave until like 2 p.m. the next day. So got to hang out in the morning as well. But I definitely agree that it's just too short sometimes.
Yeah, it's like, oh, I've been to Colombia. I was in Bogota airport for 3 hours. Like, no, you weren't.
I mean, technically, I was in South Korea, but I was just in the airport. So.
Yeah, like, come on. I have a Colombian stamp on my passport, though. Let me post that on IG. I don't care. Like, so it's a lot for social media, and just show off and be able to say like, oh, I went here. Yeah, oh, I've been here. Yeah, let me tell you, the Cayman Islands are great. Like, oh yeah, what'd you do in the Cayman Islands? Oh, I got off the boat and ate at a local fish restaurant and got back on a boat. Oh, okay, sick. You met one local at a restaurant, and
that's what I'm saying. And is that Investastock? Yeah, stock. I'm just gonna say. But yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. It's like it's you don't have to commit to one place that you've never been and go, oh yeah, I'm stuck here for 2 weeks now. It's like you get to like experience it briefly and go, okay, would I come back here? Yeah, and then you like dedicate a trip later on.
I mean, look, if it was like, you know, if it was us, like, you know, just like the crew here, and we went on a cruise, like I would have fun. I would have a good time.
Yeah.
But if you asked me to plan it out, I would say, hey, let's just all go to Playa del Carmen to resort for a week instead.
Yeah.
Like, if you want to leave the resort and go do something, you can. But when you wake up, you're already at the beach. There's free food everywhere. There's free drinks everywhere. There's activities going on. Like, you can do all of that at any point, anytime.
But you can do it on the water too.
Yeah.
In a
You
moving
go rent a
hotel
jet
room,
ski.
Ryan. In a moving hotel room.
Can't rent a jet ski on a cruise.
True, you can't. You can rent a jet ski when you get off the cruise.
But like, that's the thing. Like, plus, like, and if you're like going for views or whatever, okay, so you pay extra to get a view on the ship or whatever, like an actual balcony room. What are you looking at? Just fucking water.
Yeah,
I want to see palm trees and sand. And
true. No, I mean, to each their own.
it's just my opinion.
there's
It's
pros
that's the
and
point.
cons.
To
There's
each
pros-
their own. Like,
yeah, there's
like
pros
I'm
and
not
cons.
saying don't ever go on a cruise. It sucks. I'm saying for what I like would be like, let me go somewhere. Same, like, I don't know. Like, I don't need a sampler of different islands. Like, I just don't. I would rather go to one island and get a full experience.
Yeah, well, there you go.
It's just
That's
like
fun.
like when I was in Spain, a lot of people I was with, they went to Paris for like 36 hours, and then they went up to London real fast, and you know, they went and took one picture in front of Big Ben, they took a picture in front of the Eiffel Tower, ate one meal, and you know, jumped back on it, and they spent hours on a train to do all of this. And it's like, cool, yeah, you've been there, you got to see it. Like, I can get behind that, but I went snowboarding in Spain for 3 days, and then I went to the beach for 3 days, and I hung out with Spanish people. Got to go to a lot of really cool places, local food, local bars, everything. Hang out with them and their culture and experience the culture.
I mean, no, that's awesome. I love that. I mean,
No, I'm not bashing Will's perspective. I know a lot of people, like, I know that I don't share the same opinion with a lot of people. It's okay to have different opinions.
I agree with your opinion though, Ryan. Is what I'm saying. Like, again, it's just there's pros and cons to each different style, you could say. I liked Amsterdam so much I went back a second time. Amsterdam's awesome, dude. But no, I mean, I'm thinking about taking the wife back to Santorini. We like Santorini so much the day we visited on one of the cruises we were on. So I'm thinking about taking her back for a couple days, maybe like a weekend trip.
Yeah, I mean, that's a fair point from, was that Neki? Iconiki? Like, if you go to an all-inclusive in, you know, Cancun or wherever, it's not like you're like really experiencing the culture there.
Exactly. You're not.
I'm just saying, from a perspective of enjoying a vacation, I would rather be sitting at the beach with a drink in my hand, toes in the water, ash in the sand.
So nice.
Not a worry in the world. Cold beer in my hand. Life is good today.
Caroline Levitt is leaving the White House at the end of the month.
Oh, what?
Just heard that on the news.
No,
A new
I like
speaker?
her. No. Short everything, guys. Caroline's leaving.
Sweet Caroline.
But
Like, here's the thing. Like, I go to Vallarta or I go to Ixtapa. I go to the beach, and I usually go eat somewhere. I leave the resort and I go eat somewhere, hang out somewhere else. We'll go down to like different little sites around there. Like, Ixtapa has there's this big like alligator something. Like, we went down there and saw that. My kids were like, they loved it, seeing all the alligators and stuff.
I love OC so much, bro.
Oh yeah, Rizzo. Tommy's in Hawaii right now. You know what it's like trading out there.
Oh, really?
It's only 9:30 here. This is insane.
Yeah,
This is
right
pretty
now
cool
it's
that I can watch the market and be done at
3
10
hours
a.m.
or 6
Service-
hours. But
service
they
the
don't have
pool.
daylight savings time, so in the summer it's 6 hours ahead of New York time. It's so weird. The sun doesn't come up until like you're like basically done trading, or when I'm usually done with most of my trading.
Well, yeah, isn't Hawaii? Is it 5 hours behind?
It's 6 now. Usually
6
5.
during
Yeah.
daylight savings time.
Ugh, that's crazy, bro.
That would be awful. I mean, I would just have to
3
stay up
a.m.
all
for the
night.
market open.
I would have to sleep
Mhm.
from 10 a.m. to like 4 p.m. every day.
Oh,
It's 3 hours behind LA. Yeah.
yeah, so 6 hours. Holy
Yeah,
crap!
no, when I'm visiting, it's the worst because I don't get to have coffee unless I'm at my own place, and if I'm staying someplace else in Hawaii, coffee shops don't open until like freaking 4 hours till after the market opens.
You could just make your own coffee, Rizzo. You don't have
No,
to-
but I'm saying like when I'm not at my own place in Hawaii, I don't have
You're
a
just
freaking
like, I
coffee
can't get
machine.
coffee. It's like,
Yeah.
just make your own coffee, dude. He's like, no, I go to shops, dude. Go to shops every time. Because he's bougie.
Look,
Hotel coffee
SPX.
is always shit.
Hotel coffee does suck. I have to agree.
SPX, by the way, went up to that 60 spot, came right back to 750. We saw it right here, right back to here.
Full flow.
And QQQ found its way right back to the NFP. So I just yum.
You're just long off the 200 on the 5. It's like almost there.
I
It's a very
have 825.
Up against yesterday's high or close to. Smack dab in the middle of this range, but
I'd rather long off of like 750, 740.
Ooh.
yeah, I like 740s too. Like you're talking about another failure up here, up into these like 29 900s.
Well, so
1, 2.
but look at it. Look at it on the daily perspective, though. It's try to go higher, come lower, go back up. I mean, what do you call this? Higher lows,
Yeah,
equal highs.
like a flag.
So the next day or two, we'll do one of these two.
Yeah.
I would hope so. Move at least more than 150 points during the RTH session.
I was hoping we would come back to here. 713, 714 on QQQ. The 9 is catching up to the 50-day back test of that, but said we just back tested and held across this entire volume shelf up here. Tommy, did you short the IV midpoint? Because that's the trade I took.
Oh. Really nothing for me here, dude.
No, you probably pen. SPX, this is probably the pen.
I mean, you could make a case for trying to long MES or SPX here, but I just don't like it. I don't like that we're just grinding super slowly here, especially with 15 minutes left in market hours. Or what is that, 18 minutes? Tomorrow's another day. Exactly, ticker tap. Why would I risk more capital today?
You guys ready for a 13 handle VIX? Yeah, that. I mean, that's what makes the most sense.
Wait, what's VIX at right now? 14. Damn, bro.
Drilling.
Well, because catalyst wise, you've got through everything.
True. Makes sense.
Like what uncertainty and volatility do you have other than the Middle East? You got through FOMC. You got through all the earnings, essentially, like all the really big earnings.
Mm-hmm.
You got through what was the other piece we had? I guess like the macro data has been fine. Everybody's all worried about CPI. It's been cool to inline the last two prints. So probably start getting used to these 150 point range days. Getting like 30 point SPX ranges, maybe 25. If we get down to like a 13, 12 VIX. How would you trade VIX? My opinion, VIX is just a hedging tool. If you're gonna trade it, so like things are doing really well and VIX is really low. Usually, you just buy VIX as like a hedge. Thing could have held longer, I guess, huh? Dude, if this thing falls apart all the way to 780 where I wanted it the whole time.
Is he gonna do it tonight and then we have to buy the dip?
What, just ride at Asia Open again? me and my Koreans.
Well, I think it was China last time. China was the real ripper. Put on a little lotto long at 8:37 into the close. We'll see. Dude, I made basically all of my profit in like 1 minute during that CPI candle, and I've just dug into it every freaking trade I've taken, every other trade I've taken today.
Would you have a bid at the bottom there?
I had a short at the top and a cover at the bottom, and then I market bought once that filled.
Nice, dude.
Really like 200 points and
If I wasn't copy traded my TPTs, I would have totally had a stink bid down at the EMA 200 there, back at what is it, 770.
Google wants that 345. SpaceX also rejected my level like damn near perfectly at 149.24.
Might have to go get some Taco Bell here in a little bit.
I ordered some last night.
Nice.
you guys and your freaking Taco Bell, man.
Rizzo's too good for us.
Taco Bell's disgusting.
It's amazing. What are you talking about?
Don't you dare ever disrespect the bell like that again.
You're muted, Ryan. I don't know if you're talking to us.
He's cussing at Rizzo right now.
Oh, yeah, he definitely
Disrespecting
is.
Taco Bell.
All right, I'm back.
Nice. I'm with you, Rizzo.
Sorry, I had to go to Target real fast, pick up something for Rizzo. It's nice. It was on sale.
SpaceX 120 puts, 918.
Yeah, Del Taco's awful, but Taco Bell is incredible.
They're like the same thing, no? Del Taco and
No, they do
Oh,
never
dude,
say that.
Whoa! Now
Never
you've really crossed the line.
To me,
Yeah, dude, Rizzo's saying everything
I'm
wrong.
sorry.
The Del Taco tastes like cardboard, bro.
Dang.
For me, it's the same thing. Maybe I just gotta go have it. I haven't had it in like 10 years.
Brian Johnson did a video on Taco Bell. It's the most unhealthy. Perfect. That's why I eat it.
All right, guys. I shorted SpaceX a little bit. Gotta bounce. Love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Catch a KC.
See you tomorrow.
Later,
brother.
guys.
Later. KC. Got MOC in 3 minutes.
Oh, yeah, I'm curious about that too, Ryan. What indicator are you using for NFP? Is there a free one available, or is that just something you manually mark out?
I don't know if there's a free one. I have the Paper Gains one. Pretty sure it's for sale. I don't pay for it. Full
Someone's
disclosure.
made a free one on TradingView. There's gotta be.
I think there is one somewhere.
You ever pay for an
The
indicator? on
problem
Trading?
is you have to update it because like if they move NFP like the date around or anything, so it's like it has to be coded to where like you constantly update like the NFP dates in case they move one. Because like remember last year when the government shut down, they kept moving it. Yeah, you can just go draw that's what I used to do before I had the indicator. I would just like I use the dash one, the little horizontal dash, or no, the ray. I would use the horizontal ray and I would just put a label on it. March NFP low, whatever. Yeah, man, you can't see the order book for tomorrow. Just can't. The futures are gonna close.
Whoa. What is this indicator you guys have me install? This thing has just ruined my chart.
Which one?
The NFP by Rogman.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, there is. I do remember there was a free one out there. There's a nice little long Rizzo.
It's looking for 870 and 905.
This would be the first spot I would look for on QQQ, 724. And if it somehow gets through this, gets continuation, you go back to 725.
Yeah, possible VWAP sweep happening here.
Yeah, I remember that first one. Like or one of the free ones I used to have for NFP. Like you just had to go like type the date in, and then it was coded to go to 8:30 in the morning and mark, from 8:30 to 4 p.m. whatever the high and low of the day was. Tell the future. You want me to tell the future? Reminder, if you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. It helps push us out in the algo a little bit more so we can keep growing the wolf pack. This is a live all day free stream each and every day. Shout out to our sponsors at Leverage Shares, making that possible. Go to leverageshares.com. MOC just came out.
It gave me my trim at 70, but it instantly flashed down.
Yeah.
Let's see. What do we got?
Oof.
Intel's a big buy, actually. Nebius is a buy. Google's a sell. Let's see what the overall is. $1 billion to sell across the S&P, 847 to sell in the NASDAQ. Dow is a slight buy. Max 7 a $235 million sell.
Holy cow. The Mag 7. My goodness.
Also, yes, press live from time to time. Also, code WOLF at your favorite prop firm. Gets you the best discount. If you like Apex, use code WOLFX over at Apex to get the best discount offered. Whatever special or promotion that the prop firm is running, you will get that with code WOLF.
Look at that rejection, bro. 3-minute EMA 20. Beautiful rejection. I should have shorted that shit, bro. Oh.
They flash spy and SPX back under that gamma level.
Damn it. Ah.
A little VWAP rejection. EMA 9. Right there.
Like being down here just makes Asia look like a complete short, but
Dude, Asia was moving beautifully last night.
whenever I think Asia should go a certain way, it just does the opposite.
I just want to know. It took like all shorts today. I was only trying to short today because of the scenario, and no one was even here to call me a permabull. Damn it. Trade of the day was still just shorting this morning to previous day's high. 69% odds. Take that trade 10 times, I'll win 7. Hell, I took the trade like 2 times this morning.
2 times.
I'll ban the man. He was here. I just put him in a little timeout till today. He was here this morning. We did go 800 points above where he had his target, but hey, he's a swing trader, so. He was here and he was cordial today. Like that's all I say. Just don't be a douche. It's like literally the only rule. Don't spam the chat. Just don't be a douche.
Big old douche.
Big old.
I kind of just want to take.
Yeah, he was polite today. He was very polite. There was like one comment I read that I didn't really care for, but big deal. He did say he was hedged long and closed those out, so hopefully he did well. I don't wish negative success on anybody. The only time I ever cheer against you is if I'm... the only time I cheer against you is if I'm trading the opposite direction, and it's not personal. Decent day, luck of the draw. 200 profit unfunded, up 1K on the eval. I like that. Today was probably a pretty good eval day. If you made some profit this morning, stayed patient, maybe just traded evals this afternoon, probably pretty good. Can you have negative success? That's a good question. Look at the NFP right here. Just turn the magnet on. SPX. Good Lord, they flushed that hard though. Yeah, that SE short was nice, NYG. I looked at that chart yesterday and I was like, how does this thing not pull back after this,
Oh my god, look at the flush on him in Q.
No, look at SPX. SPX is the one that's flushing.
Oh my god. Whoa.
ES is working its way back to VWAP.
Oh.
Well, TWAP, I'm sorry.
That TWAP, dog.
I was looking at all the orders popped up down here.
Do we drill?
Oh my god, look at the drill, dude.
That could have been a 100-point trade. That's all right. I took the trade from where I wanted it to start to where I wanted it to end. Didn't need to get over aggressive or greedy.
I'm just gonna come back tomorrow and live to fight another day.
See you, Mixie.
They're beautiful short. I
All right,
think it's funny.
take the rest off for 10-point loss. Just go flat into tonight.
Three minutes. NVIDIA pushing here into the close.
Yeah.
What shall we look for tonight?
Some sleep.
Recently, you're just getting more action during the ETH than the RTH, so I don't know. I got a 3-hour nap in, so I'll be up all night.
Yep. Might just go watch a movie tonight. I don't know. Hang out with some friends. We'll see. My wife is working till like midnight, so.
This one for you, Rizzo.
What's that?
San Juanito.
Oh, it's a Malbec?
Vino del Valle de Bernal. Amanecer Malbec.
Nice.
Yeah, Malbecs are popular down in South America.
Yeah, they are.
It's like 30 minutes away from my house. We have a lot of vineyards down here.
Are we popping up with some wine, Brian?
No, this is what I was drinking last night.
Nice.
Listen to
I really like that. I know it's like cheaper wine, but that Behringer Bros. I took a picture of, Rizzo. I like that bourbon barrel aged wine. It's really good.
Behringer Bros. I feel like I've heard of it.
Yeah, it's like a $16 bottle of wine, maybe like $18 bottle, but it's a Cabernet Sauvignon that's aged in bourbon casks.
Tequisquiapan, Querétaro.
It's very good. You haven't retired her yet, Will? No, not yet, dude. She just likes her job. Like, she could quit right now, but she really likes her job, and I love the benefits that we get. Honestly, the healthcare we get is insanely cheap.
Do you get any tickets?
Any tickets to what, the games?
Yeah.
Sometimes, but very rarely. It is a huge benefit that her job is right next to the stadium, though, so we get to park at her job.
Parking lot, yeah.
Yeah, free parking, baby. Free parking. The cops get all confused, too. Like, we pull up and the closed-off roads. They're like, you can't come through here. I'm like, no, we're parking right there. And they're like,
Look at
Okay.
SPX. Look at this magnet on SPX right back to the level.
Of course, I freaking cut my NQ.
Oh, my God. No. Oh, they rinsed us, dude. Fuck.
Okay, ban this guy who just said Stella Rosa is legit.
Ban this guy that said Stella Rosa is legit.
I don't know why more people don't just drink wine out of the bottle.
You gotta let it aerate.
Aerate my throat.
Well, there's the close. Fuck today's session.
Yeah, literally. Today was absolutely brutal.
I actually had a pretty good day today.
I broke even pretty much. I didn't really make any money.
I lost $200 per fund. Some light work. After taking three trades, that's great for me.
I lost 200 on each funded, and then I
should be
made
down
200 on evals.
Who was reporting today?
Great question.
Let's check earnings hub. My goodness.
Cisco, that's what it was.
Best hub. The only hub you should be on.
Well, I mean, I have a VPN, so some will get that joke, some won't.
Oh, I get it now. Nice. Haha. I just got it. The hub, the good old hub. And Cisco was nano nuclear. Virgin Galactic, guys.
What time is Cisco? Probably 5 minutes after.
Yeah, I think they're all 5 minutes after.
Typically. Well, Geo just reported grocery outlet or something.
Cold online or grocery outlet.
It's up 20%.
Oh my god. The easiest trade of your life.
There you go. Yep. Cisco. I own Cisco, so let's get a good report.
Ryan owns 1 share of Cisco. I'm a shareholder in Cisco.
Hey, where's Billy the Kid? I just heard Fermi, FRMI, named the new CEO. Is this one he's been talking about? Tecate and Zens? No, this is close. Tell you what, the black cherry Zen really accentuates the flavor of the Malbec.
Now that's a white Zinfandel if I ever seen one. That's a little combo there. The Zins. That'd be pretty funny.
Zinfandel?
Yeah, there's got to be like a Zin wine combo, like a word for it.
Dude, this is a pretty solid one right here. Black cherry Zen with a Malbec.
A Zinbeck or a Malzin. Malzin. Tecate and Zins. Nice. I don't mind Tecate. It's like the Budweiser of Mexico.
Tecate is like Coors Light.
That's a better analogy. Yeah, a better comparison.
Or like a Mexican Michelob.
Michelob's much lighter than Tecate, though.
Well, there's 2 Tecates.
True, Tecate Light. I forgot about Tecate Light.
The Tecate is just, there's not much flavor to it. It is your just what is Tecate? It's just beer. Like that's the only way you can describe it. You don't call it a lager. You don't call it a pilsner. You don't call it
It's just beer.
It's just beer.
It's just beer.
Whoa. What's Tecate? It's co-beer. My favorite beer is co-beer.
Co-beer.
Good old co-beer.
You ever had a Tecate in Mexico?
Hey, let me tell you something. You ever go down with the Mexican boys south of the border?
There goes Cisco. Hold on.
Whoa. Look at that.
97 cents. The estimate on Cisco was 87 cents. A 10-cent beat on the gap number. Revenue of 17.3 billion. Beats 16.82 billion. Double beat for Cisco. All right. Jordan, we got a guest coming on with us?
Should be Matt. I hit him up.
I thought we were going to get full port Matt.
I thought full port Matty was hopping on, but
is the Malbec from New Zealand? No.
New Zealand.
Not from New Zealand. It is from Santiago de Zintaro.
All right. What you got for us, Virgin Galactic? Come on.
Vino del Valle de Bernal, whatever that means. I mean, I know what it means. We have like a huge wine country, like 20-30 minutes from my house. I'm not like the biggest wine guy, but going to those vineyards is a pretty fun time. Nice little Sunday afternoon.
Damn, Cisco with that pop off, bro. And of course,
it
now
popped,
MAQ is
popped
breaking
in,
out.
Popped in Q up pretty good there.
I'm having Sam bump Matt too real quick. So we'll see.
All right, gentlemen, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my afternoon and then possibly trade some Asia tonight. But great hanging out. Great
Yes, sir.
making money.
See you
Vibing.
tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. Everyone take care.
See ya.
See you there, sir.
Cisco reversing. Well, it turned into a pretty good day. Chop, chop, chop.
Let's go.
I had a good day.
I mean, my bad days are still good days nowadays. I was red, but very small.
This 9-10 point of control to work with tomorrow. Don't like that Cisco just gave it all back. That's not fun. It's still up okay. I need Jordan's mindset. I tweeted this out last night. I don't know if this is what you're referring to, but the strategy is not the problem. You're the problem. Your discipline's the problem. Lock the fuck in.
I think Sam is rescheduling him, so we can just chat for a minute.
All right, bet. No, it's discipline. Discipline as like the utmost important. Like literally, I feel like you could trade a 50-50 strategy, but if you had some type of risk management, you could be profitable. Just flipping a coin. Like literally, I almost would do a video just trying that. Just like every day, just flip a coin, long or short, and just do a like a 2R.
Yeah.
Manage the risk.
That might be a fun series.
I mean, but like the point is the point, right? It doesn't. There's a million strategies. There's a million ways to read charts or do technical analysis or whatever. I mean, you could literally just try to go long every single morning. And if you had decent risk management, you could find a way to be profitable. But it's because it's discipline. But the real thing is, the real point here is, how many times have you guys watched me sit on here and just talk, just hang out with the chat, look around, tell you how bored I am, whatever it is? I mean, today for hours, just sat here. Yesterday for hours. Hours.
And like even, I don't know, I just feel like you guys see me when I'm in a position, dude. Like I'm micromanaging every little thing. Like, no, I literally ordered a smash burger, went downstairs while I was in an open position. Freaking, I got orders in. I'm fine. We're letting
that's how, I mean,
like completely content with whatever the outcome is, because I know no matter the outcome of whatever my trading is on a CPI day, I know I'm managing my risk well, so I'm going to keep losses small. And aside from that, it's like I might get what I want, I might not. Either way, like we will show up and trade another day, and market will be good, and we'll get what we want. You know what I mean? And that's when you capitalize. That's when you press on the gas and you let those winners run. And these days you forget about. You know, Ryan, am I wrong? I mean, like that's exactly how it is, right? You keep those losses small. That's why people could argue like I took a lot of shots today. I did, like I took 3 shots today. You know what I mean, on trades, but since I did such a good job at managing the risk during those trades and kind of limiting my risk on each trade, didn't take full losses, I'm able to take more shots and be more lenient with the trades I want to take. You know what I mean? It's the name of the game.
it's
You guys should
not
watch
a.
the latest video.
It's just a discipline thing. Like the problem is most people, most unprofitable traders cannot sit and wait for a trade. They have to be in something, or they have to
It's
try
hard.
every 15-minute candle or every single level on the chart. I mean, I'm mostly a confluence trader, a vibe trader, but it's because I line up as many things in my favor as possible and then try to take a trade. Cisco just went red. EQ is getting wrecked.
That's why, like, I hate to say it, especially to like newer people that might be just in the chat, brand new, but it's like you have to do what's wrong to figure
To
out
know that
that.
it's wrong.
Yeah, to know that it's wrong. Like,
I get it.
I as much as we can tell you guys like not to do things, of course, like you don't have to do that in multiple accounts, right? You can blow up like account by account, right? At least, but instead of doing like 20 at a time or whatever. But what I'm getting at is people, they start so fast, man. They start so fast. You got to slow it down.
Just slow down and build it up.
Oh,
Brick by brick. Put the bricks down brick by brick. Don't just start throwing them out in the yard.
It's so hard to slow down though, because you want to make shit. You want to make money fast, like, and you want to get that payout fast. And I get it, but
Well, it's
guys,
because it's
every time I
dopamine.
thought back to when like I've rushed things, it ends badly. Like slow is fast. Just focusing on doing things the right way, even though in the moment it seems like it's taking longer to get to that payout or past the account. It all in all will actually.
It's like the guy on the freeway that tries to like change lanes, get behind every other different car, and ends up getting trapped. And then the guy that just stayed in the middle lane the whole time just flies right by him and gets there quicker.
Phenomenal example.
I mean, just like because he's just like impatient.
Yeah, it's a great example.
And then he ends up getting in a wreck.
Yep.
Like so, like I just think, like, the slow is fat. Whatever. It's just a discipline thing. Just slow down. Be picky.
Yep.
Some of you guys will be picky with your food. You won't be picky with your trades.
And unfortunately, like the best thing is to take a few heavy losses. Like that's what changed my mind. Like I took that big loss and that changed everything for me. Like you got to take a loss that does create some sort of pain that creates actual change in your behavior and in your trading, because it's very hard to just make those changes and actually stick to it when you haven't felt the pain of like in the consequences of your actions. You know what I mean? You think it's all just dandy, but it's not. Market is not sweet, bro. This shit is not sweet. It's bad. The market's just designed to kill us. It's designed to win. We're designed to lose, especially as day traders.
Yeah, once again, it's just I mean, I can make a million analogies here.
Yeah.
The problem is, like, most of you guys you won't stick to it. You'll make an excuse. I used to have a coach that excuses are like, yeah, I used to have a coach that would say excuses are like assholes. We all have them and they all stink.
Yeah.
Like, stop making excuses, because that's the problem. You make an excuse, you make an exception, you make this or that, and then you're right back to where you started. Don't make excuses. Just be disciplined. Walk away. Do whatever it takes for you to not make mistakes. Stop trying to win trades. Figure out how to not lose.
Yeah.
Picky with the food, but not with the trades.
is a good one.
I like the traffic one. Because I deal with that all the time. There's always like some Yahoo that's just like, he's going from the left lane to the middle lane to the right lane, back to the middle, back to the right, back to the all the way across. We end up getting to the place like basically the same time, but he almost got in a wreck 3 times.
And you're just smooth sailing, trailing stop loss on that people.
Yeah, and then actually in trading, so I'm going to make 2 points off of this. So I really like what Sock Talk preaches on with the way he does position trading, or whatever you want to call it, position investing, swing trading, whatever you want to call his style, active management. But the thing is, it's getting a good cost basis. If something doesn't have a good, like, he'll go look at, he'll do deep research for hours and hours and hours, and he'll come down to a handful of companies, and then he's going to this next checklist. He's going to go look at the chart. If the chart's overextended, or if the chart is under major moving averages in a downtrend, he doesn't want to be in that name. He wants something that's been based out for a long time that has a chance for asymmetric upside. It's like one of his criteria. And where I'm going to parallel that into like trading, it's the same thing like with a trade. Like I can sit here all day and look at, and tell you, well, I think price is going to go here and then back to here. But if I can't get in here and I have to get in up here, like I don't have any way to like I have a terrible cost basis. If I think a trade's going to go here and then reject, I don't want a long here. If I didn't get in the long down here, or maybe on this wick, I don't want a long up here. Same with this morning. Like this morning, I was sure we were going to come down to previous day here. Let me do this right here. Oh, it's not even going to show up anymore. I was sure we were coming down to here, like this wick right here, this candle. I was sure we were coming down to here. And when I say sure, I mean I had high probability, high confidence. I wasn't sure, but I had high confidence. Let me word that correctly. But if I can't short up here somewhere, even if I know where it's going, I don't want to take down here, because like what if I go get stopped out, or what if it does like pop up here on news or something? If I don't have a good cost basis in the trade, I don't have a good trade. So yes, cost basis is everything in trading and investing both. What happened to our music? All of a sudden I could just hear like a Roomba vacuum cleaner behind you. There we go. Yeah, options are the same way. Like when something starts breaking out, that's when volatility expands in an options contract. Once it started that breakout, the unknown is now known, and the volatility is going to start coming back.
You're on a different mic, I think, now. I don't know what happened.
I'm on a different mic?
Oh, now it's good. I don't know what happened there. It like got muffled. You're good.
I don't know. But yeah, so like for options trade, they have their own chart because they move independently. And like an options trade, it's even like your entries and exits are, pretty important, right? That's why like people that try to play breakout trades and options get wrecked all the time, because that volatility's already started expanding before the breakout because of the potential of it. The unknown becomes more known. ProFast, I just scrolled back up and saw that, yeah. $100 to $300 a day. I mean, you just think about that. If you can come in, even if you spend 2-3 hours in front of the charts, you can find, one opportunity to average $200 to $300 a day. Some days maybe you don't get it. But if you do that, like let's just say 3 times a week. So let's say even if you took 2 losses 3 times a week, like that's extra few $100 every week as you're getting used to it and building it up. If you prove that you can do it consistently you build a base and a foundation, you build a buffer in your account, then you can earn the right to size up, or like Jordan, earn the right to coffee trade. Oh, I guess I'm gonna go to Stocks on Spaces now. What else do we have a meeting today? We don't. All right, cool. Go watch Jordan's video that he posted on the channel. I gotta get on that TikTok thing and figure out the whatever that little green screen, blue screen thing is. This one thing is keeping you from getting payouts. What is it, Jordan? Don't tell me. I'm gonna have to click in and find out.
Man, go look. I'll tell you what it's not. It's not your strategy.
Yeah, Jarrett, exactly. Today was a great day to take a bunch of losses. Especially if you're a high frequency trader or a momentum trader, or you're just trying to force trades onto the chart that aren't there with no confirmation, no confluence, like, yeah, you would have got chopped to absolute pieces today. How many people this morning saw all this right here, and whenever it broke and started back testing, they took this loss, and then once it got back over,
Short in the hole.
They were like, oh, well, let me short here. Here's the back test of this. Let me short here. And it started working out. And they chased it here. Like, I guarantee you multiple people saw this rejection here and this candle print, and they shorted right here for this. And they got ran over. Just like right here, people saw this and tried to long. After this candle, they tried to long here right into all this and got wrecked. Or the people that were trying to short, like for me, I took my opportunities from a good cost basis, but there was people that were trying to short for this breakdown into previous day's high, and they tried it, they got stopped out, they saw it come back down like right here. They saw this candle, and they probably tried it on this candle, got ran over, got stopped out. Then it went right back again, they chased back in here, got stopped out again, just for it to work. And then when it worked, they probably chased it in this wick and got stopped out again. And they took 3 huge losses, and we're an hour into the day. And they just held that, exactly what Jordan's showing you. They just held that right there on their forehead.
Cooked.
And then how many people saw this move, saw, oh, okay, rejected there, oh, higher low, and they tried to get long here, probably got stopped out there, saw this, chased it, got long here, and got ran over.
Bro, you know that was exactly somebody's trading day today, bro.
I swear.
I gotta say, here's one thing I gotta say. I've been there. I've done it.
That's why I recognize it.
Yeah,
that's why I recognize it. I recognize it because I 3 years ago that was me. I was that guy.
Dude, Emp remembers my first futures account. Jesus, I can't.
I remember the first.
Oh my god, dude! I just rinsed that thing. I had no clue.
You're just flipping one, like short to long, long to short.
I was eating it. Oh, it's horrible. Exactly.
So what NYG said about cost basis is so important. Because if you short an area and look for the chart to go to the next area, you're much better than if you're like, oh, it rejected there. Let me get in here and try to come down here, and I'll just set my stop here. I mean, how many times, if you set your stop like at these wicks, how many times did it come liquidity sweep you out? And then once it took like these multiple shots here,
we're going to do it one more time. This is the last time it's going to do it. Stop right back at the high. It does it one more time. Brutal. These are the days that you have to like, you have to manage risk. You have to survive. Like, if you can't survive these days, it's like,
what just happened?
There's huge problems. There's huge issues. You're on the wrong contract. Yeah. You're on the Z.
Oh, it's because I continued the previous one.
Oh.
So you just go back and look at this. And let's do that.
You know, I haven't ripped a 30-second entry trade
So look,
in a
right
while.
here.
We might do that. That
Right there. How many people saw this and got long
shit out of it, dude.
on this candle right here? Huge full body candle.
Inverse
right
fair
back.
value gap. Jordan, there's an inversion. We should go up, right? No.
And they saw this sweep and they saw this full body candle and they said, I'm gonna get long on this pullback right here. And then they got stopped out. The longs got stopped out. And anybody that saw this candle and then tried to get short they saw this, they said, oh, let's get short, and then boom. Stopped out again.
But I swear, those are the like inverses that people will send me and be like, dude, they don't work. I'm like, yeah, of course that doesn't work. Bro, like, what are you doing?
And look, these like right here, you came up and so if after this candle, so you had big down candle and you had this doji candle here and you started seeing this candle form and you said, let me get short and risk this high. Oh, damn it. Damn it. And then you saw this full body candle and you said, oh, let me long on this candle.
Yeah, let me long red candle, right?
Let me long on this candle.
Buy red,
And
cover
then-
green here, like,
Probably got stopped out there. If not, if they longed here, I guarantee they didn't take a trim here and they got stopped out on this one. And then they blame the news. Oh, fucking Trump. Fucking
Yeah.
True Social. Because
Like,
then the
no.
next one, and when they got stopped out here, they bought it right back because they were frustrated now. They let emotions get to them. So they bought right back on this candle. They got stopped out here and they said, no, we're going to 30K. They chased this candle right here and they got the account got blown on this one.
so what's the cure? Set some damn parameters for yourself. You guys hear me, and I know it might be annoying. It might make trading more boring. You can't take every trade that you see. You can't take every candlestick, but like, you gotta have some sort of system, some sort of parameters, right? Like, I'm trading these time windows. These are like my strength time windows. Emp
Oh.
has his time windows that he has strength in. It's the afternoon. I typically
And
don't
then-
do the best in the afternoon. I'm better in the morning, right? I play to those strengths.
Look, and
There's so
then
many things.
after they blew this right here, they went and bought a new eval. Or they went and reset.
Stop it.
And then they saw IB low, previous day's high. It's holding. There's a tweezer, and then this next candle went above. Let's get long right here. Right here. Let's get long because we're going back up here.
Ah.
Bah!
Oh, dude. Just,
and then they
Bro,
stopped
like-
out. Hold on. Then they got
Stop.
stopped out again here. They saw this candle and then they got short right here. They got short right here. They said, "Oh, that's a short." Oh, yes, it's working out. Ah. And then they flipped. Then they're gonna flip long right here.
yeah.
Flip long. Yes, it's working out. Let me add some. We're gonna
Yeah, higher
break on. We're
high.
gonna run. Hold on.
About to make a
pause,
higher
pause.
high, dude.
Pause. So then they got long here, and then they saw this, and they said, let's add to it. So now my cost basis is right here at 900. My cost basis is at 900. We're gonna go run all these highs. We're gonna come up here to these equal highs. My cost basis is 900. I'm gonna get 50 to 60 points. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh. Let me add one more time. I can add again. Look, it's still holding the same area. Let me add again. Okay. Oh, look, it's a bull flag. It's breaking out. It's breaking out. It's a bull flag. And then they blew the account again.
Oh my god. I gotta clip this up. This is hilarious. Oh my goodness.
And then now the day just ended. And they're going to go reset that account for the third time. I'm going to get another email. New affiliate referral cell, TRADEify. It's gonna be the third one of the day, and they're gonna have this account reset for futures open tonight.
Oh my gosh.
And the like,
What a
I'm not
representation.
making fun of people, but it
No.
like sometimes
We've
you need the
been there,
tough
guys.
love.
We've done that exact same thing. Like,
The whole point of this is I know somebody's day went that way because my day has gone that way before. And I
yes.
know a lot of people's day went that way today because they look for the same opportunity no matter what's happening in the market with no context. I even talked about this morning. You opened up above previous day's high. Look here, let me see if I can. QQQ should still have it. Or no, it's already marked it for the next day. Whatever. You opened up above previous day's high, which was at 843 right here. So in the interim, you have statistics that say you should come back to that. So here's previous day's high. You open up here, you should come back to here. But what are you doing? You're trending upward. You're literally straight trending upward. What are you doing overall? Overall, you're trending upward. Let me go to a 15-minute. You just had a big trend upward. You're resetting. You're still coming in, but you're into resistance. But you gapped up to start the day. You made a huge move overnight. You had data this morning. So you know that you should come back down to here, but you know the overall trend is up. So what does that make you think the rest of the day should do? You know you have bullish things fighting bearish things and overextension things. Yeah, I actually like that, GB. Which that's how and look, Coconut agrees with you too. That's I mean, my trading strategy is literally how much confluence can I take from a bunch of other people's trading strategies. It's like I know my stuff and then I know everyone else's stuff. How much can I put together? And then I can also manage my own risk because I know how I trade. But I can also sit here like I did yesterday for 2 hours when the market, opened up the stream. I sat here for 2 hours before I took a trade. That trade played out over a while. And then I sat and waited. And I even played it safe on a trade. And we never fully got what I wanted. It worked out either way, but I didn't get ran over or wrecked. I remember clear as day yesterday. I had a level here, but I wanted a little bit lower. And then once it started doing this, and I put my stop too tight to play it safe, I got stopped out and then it kept going. It worked out, but I didn't have a cost basis here anymore. I added a cost basis here into all of this. What are you thinking? Damn, now of course we're going to come all the way down to 800. All right, I'm going to go to stocks and spaces.
Betsky. Great day.
What a wonderful day.
Enjoy the night. I don't even know what video I'm doing tonight yet, but there will be a video out tonight. It might not be till late and all the rest of the videos this week because I am downstairs at Gab's house taking care of little Coconut over here. So I can't really go film videos until like later tonight when I leave here to go to bed. So gonna be some late nights this week, but all good things. We'll still get the videos out. They just might be really late. Like they might be all coming out at 11 o'clock midnight. So just keep that in mind. Maybe you watch them in the mornings, the morning after I post them. But check out the one I did last night. I think it's really good. I think it's probably the most sauce that I have dropped in a video so far. And I know it's one of the shorter videos that I posted, but it's purely because it's based on one specific thing that is really like helped me just stay consistent, whether that's going to be like with my funded accounts or live account. But the protocols I'm using on a day-to-day basis they can be a little more boring for some traders for sure, but they are so rewarding, especially when like the market is doing good for your strategy. The way that you manage these positions, it's so rewarding, especially for your bank account and payouts. The trading itself, the criteria you're following might be a little more boring, which I don't mind, but I can tell you the payouts are not boring. The rewards are not boring. So watch the video. Let me know if you guys like it. And see you guys tomorrow. Back on Spaces. I'll be on there at 9 a.m. So come join me on there until Ryan goes live. And then we'll be live later. So peace out, crew. Love y'all.